Na. Last episode, I got so much hate because people hated my opinion about superstardom. Na. They said, Snail, Abbas, do an episode without Antariksh. Na. And I was like, hey, Snail, Abbas, you guys get out of here. मैं ये सब हड़प रहा हूँ. All of this is mine. And they said, na. But then, as the audience rightly pointed out, I don't listen to other people's point of views. Na. So that's it, guys. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. My name is Anish Thakkar, joined by
Kirti.
And
Split Paglu Akash.
yes.
And Kirti forgot to say
Yeah,
Split Paglu too.
Kirti.
Yes. If you haven't yet figured out what we're talking about on this episode, it's na. Yes, guys. Yes.
तुम finish करो यार.
Splitsvilla 16.
Guys.
Oh my god, so excited.
कैसे दिन हो गया हमारे guys? तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो, ये सब करना पड़ रहा है.
हम करेंगे सब्सक्राइब.
Yes, अब तो करना पड़ेगा कि
एक्चुअल चीजों के बारे में बात करो जो चीजें मैटर करती हैं तो लोग सब्सक्राइब
Dude,
करें.
if you want us to never do an episode on Splitsvilla again, please subscribe.
Let's
We
throw some
promise.
keyword. Yogesh, Ruru, Akansha.
देखा
Yeah, all the
Susan.
keywords. Kaira, Gullu.
Sandy.
Dude, firstly, any show whose winner is a person named Gullu, I cannot respect that show. Okay? Starting
Oh my
off with a hot take.
Oh my god, did you just insult Roadies and Splitsvilla together?
Together, bro. Yeah, bro. Na.
No, I was very happy to see Gullu win because
Really?
I just didn't want two people to win and they didn't.
Which was, you didn't want Himanshu and
I didn't
Yogesh.
want Himanshu and Yogesh to win at all.
Man, my two favorite guys.
Yeah. Yogesh से ज़्यादा relatability चल रही है इसकी.
Yeah,
देख लेना.
Yogesh is my man, dude.
आज इसका फोन
He
चेक
got-
होके रहेगा.
Dude,
फोन
he
चेक
got wrong
होके
by
रहेगा.
two different women. What the fuck, dude? And this guy just took it like a champ.
कल को
Respect, Yogesh.
ये इसी को कहते हैं जो इंसान ने स्प्लिट्सविला ढंग से देखा नहीं है.
हाँ, बस
No, this is me just rage baiting people more so they comment, dude.
He's as clueless as Arav.
Yeah, for
Yes.
sure. Bro.
Now
Yes.
ask who's Arav?
yes.
Who the fuck is Arav, dude?
Exactly.
Exactly.
That's what the audience asked.
Arav is Akshay Kumar's son. Okay,
Okay.
moving on. Fun fact.
सर कहीं ना कहीं से बॉलीवुड घुसाना
Yeah, yeah,
था.
correct.
ट्राई कर लिया.
This is a Bollywood podcast. Yes.
आज हमने टेक ओवर कर लिया है और तुम्हारे टीम मेंबर्स हैं नहीं.
This is going to be a
sorry.
very Splitsvilla centric and everything Splitsvilla.
Correct.
Yes.
Firstly, also, let me be honest why Abbas and Snail aren't here. Okay? The thing is, these both are literally Splitsvilla Paglus. Okay? They watch everything Splitsvilla related. I know Kirti is a massive fan of Splitsvilla, Roadies, Too Hot to Handle, Love Island, Bangkok, Love
Love is
Island,
Blind.
Australia,
Love is
Love
Blind.
Island, Love is Blind of whatever country.
The Bachelor.
I've also seen elevator pitch, you know.
Bachelor in Paradise.
Everything.
Elevator
Okay, she watches
pitch.
all of that.
Tinder in real life.
Are you?
Oh yes.
I see a lot
Oh,
of
you-
things.
yeah, see, these guys, this is their world. Okay, they live in this, they thrive in this.
Whatever.
Me, because I'm in bed when Kirti is watching all this stuff, I end up also watching. So I'm kind of aware. Snail and Abbas have, fortunately for them, been away from this whole thing.
Okay, let's not say
Altogether.
fortunately, please.
For them.
It's
और
unfortunate.
तुम अपने आप को डिसएसोसिएट मत करो.
That's what that entire
क्योंकि
episode is gonna be.
जब तुम
As I
देखते
said,
हो,
these
तब तुम्हें interest तो आता है.
pseudo-intellectuals,
हाँ.
these pseudo-intellectuals.
That's it. That you're actually right. You know, I am a mega pseudo intellectual because, as Kirti pointed out, I do get interested in, you know, really trolling the people while I'm watching it. Like, oh yeah, look at this guy.
It's fun, no?
Sounds like
It's
a
fun.
Some people have faces like that. For example,
Enough about
Himanshu.
Himanshu.
No.
Okay, let's explain to the people that
Yeah.
why we're doing this. Firstly, because this is the number one hot property in India right now.
Yeah, and
Yes.
you need views.
This is
Yes.
anything that these people anything on YouTube where these people, the contestants,
They have the Midas
show
touch
their
on
faces.
YouTube.
Sadly.
They have the Midas touch on
world is
YouTube right
coming
now.
to it.
All that goes viral. And people who talk about them are getting views.
Yeah.
So we're like, let's try it on this channel. Is there an appetite from our audience for this kind of content? You let us know, and
We'll get to know.
We'll never
now.
do it again.
God,
Okay.
I'm scared.
I'm so excited to see this becoming the most viewed video on their channel.
it could well happen, dude. Like it's not.
If
Yeah.
only.
It's not that
In the
Only-
headline and in the thumbnail, we have to keep Yogesh, Uru, Akansha.
Yeah, correct.
And I think it will get it done.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah, that
You
is
need to
there.
do
Correct.
that.
बाकी तुम कुछ भी डालो घंटा किसको नहीं फर्क
Yogesh,
पड़ेगा.
नहीं. So Yogesh, Ruru, Akanksha. These are the three.
Oh no, don't make me Yogesh,
Yogesh.
please.
You are Yogesh Paglu.
No, you're Yogesh. You don't call me Yogesh.
Oh God, Yogesh गाली बन
Okay.
चुका है.
So for someone who is tuning into this,
Yeah.
for like they haven't followed Splitsvilla, say, okay, but still wants to watch an episode of Pop Conversation because it's an awesome episode of Pop Conversation, right? How can you miss out on that? How would you explain why this season of Splitsvilla was different than the other seasons? Why did this season break out or explode in the way that it did?
So I would say firstly, Splitsvilla is a game of love, guys.
Love
Okay,
or
love.
paisa?
Yeah, this thing. So I want to say that I love how Splitsvilla takes its themes for the next season from one incident of the last season. Like
What
the
was
last season was about bringing all the exes, and it came because of the previous season. They had a ex wala equation which worked for them, which was Justin, Tara, and Sakshi. And then last season Kashish and Digvijay का एक पैसा या प्यार के चलते
और हर्ष और वैशाली की वो भी तो आ गई थी
शुभी I think yeah
शुभी नाम था उसका।
not that invested in last
हाँ
season
बट वो
Yeah,
भी
this
एक्स
season I was.
थी
Yeah.
एक्स और या फ्लिंग
हाँ
Okay.
सो
but वो तो
लास्ट
पूरा ही सीजन एक्स का हो गया था
हाँ तो वो
So wait, last season this was
last season they had a last में in the finale
okay. Just quickly. Season 21 just got over. No wait.
16.
16
Season 16 just got over.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
And season 15 में you're saying one of the tasks or something
yeah
was
Yeah, the finale
In the
task was
finale,
प्यार या पैसा.
they gave this
yeah.
choice to one of the contestants.
All
to-
the contestants
all the
they gave a
contestants
choice to do you want to
choose-
win or do you want to take 10 lakhs and leave?
Yeah.
But they were in couples. So if I take a call, then
it has
you
to be
are
either
doomed.
unanimous or nobody gets it. Is that it?
No. If I select paisa and you select the game,
Huh.
I'll get the paisa and you'll get nothing. So that is what happened the last time.
Yeah.
Kashish took the money and Kashish and Digvijay were a pair. And
Yeah.
Digvijay actually wanted to perform. He was a good performer, but he couldn't perform in the finale because Kashish took the 10 lakhs and left the show. So
So
then
they
it
made it
became
the theme of
huge.
this season.
Nice.
Now
Also-
they made it pyar ya paisa.
Also, like this year did not have contestants. It had a kumbha. There were
There were too many.
16 pairs.
Okay, 32
Total
people, yeah.
32, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 32. Then there was Pyar Villa, Paisa Villa. So when it started, honestly, I thought it is going to be a shit बोल सकते हैं इससे मैं तो बोलने वाला था but yeah shit show yeah
Dude, I remember I
was.
watched the pilot the pilot episode and I just remember the Sardarji. What's his name?
Yeah.
Chakshdeep.
Chakshdeep fell in love.
God
In- From the first glance, he fell in love with Anisha and stuck to that till the end. And then at the finale, you find out these guys are dating someone outside.
Or
He went out-
married or
or
They,
married.
engaged.
they didn't work for
The
either
fuck?
of them.
The
Didn't work
hell?
for either
What
of
is
them.
happening?
Yeah,
What a bizarre
no,
world.
neither in the show, neither for outside. It didn't work for either
yeah.
of them. But like,
Oh, you're saying there's no interest around either of these
no,
people?
no.
No, nobody gives a
These are people of not interest.
Yeah.
जो भी उनको बोला जाता है.
Okay.
So
Take
now,
Akash, we are
Peonies, they were
we are never going to
peonies.
meet these people. You being an entertainment journalist
Yeah,
could
yeah,
well
yeah.
run into them.
yeah,
So
I did run into them. More on that later.
Yeah.
More of
Keep-
that coming up. Stay
keep
tuned till
watching.
Stay tuned.
stay tuned to 30 minutes in when we'll talk about this. Okay, cool.
Yeah, देख रहे हो कितना मतलब हुक बना रहे हैं हम लोगों
Correct,
को.
correct.
Yeah.
एकदम SEO friendly episode है.
Tune in next episode when we'll still be talking about this one.
But like 32 contestants, I was very sure this is gonna be a crap show.
Yeah.
But they managed to keep us engrossed because I think एक तो वो लोग भी बहुत सही लाए थे.
अच्छा.
इस बार मेजरली जो मेजर प्लेयर्स थे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि 32 के 32 अच्छे थे, 32 में से, बट दे वर 10 to 12 वेरी गुड पीपल हु केप्ट द ऑडियंस एंगेज्ड. कुछ तो रोडीज के चलते थे, किसी को वो 10 लव आइलैंड से आ गया था,
Dude,
सॉरी
whether-
टेम्पटेशन आइलैंड.
Dude, whether you hate them or love them, you are engaging.
Engaging with
Like
them.
Himanshu is very hateable.
Yeah.
Okay? It is just what it is. I don't care, Himanshu.
Yeah.
You probably
Sorry, but
the,
yeah.
the most punchable face I've ever seen on television is Himanshu. And maybe he thinks about that about me. Who gives a shit? Nobody cares
Yeah,
about
yeah.
me. But I'm saying, you know,
Even Kirti
they got us
agreed.
hooked. They got us hooked, dude. They got us hooked.
They got
I
us
did
hooked.
hate Himanshu throughout the show, but in the end, when he cried sitting over on that podium because he was not allowed to play the finale,
Oh, boo.
I felt
So
a little
I have
bad.
to say, this might sound very mean, but when Himanshu was crying, it felt like his tears were cleansing my soul.
Nice. Nice. I agree with
Because
that more on
I
that
was
page.
so anti Himanshu
Yeah,
throughout
yeah,
the
yeah,
show that
yeah,
it felt like a vindication, a victory to me.
Correct.
So मैं बहुत खुश था
Yeah.
जब वो उसको नहीं करने को मिला. उस दिन मुझे योगेश पे थोड़ा प्यार भी आ गया था कि चलो तेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, मैं कितना खुश हूँ कि तू उसको दे ही नहीं सकता है.
So Yogesh over Himanshu is what I say.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
Oh
So
my
okay,
God.
what was the turning point?
By the way, I supported Yogesh in
Roadies.
Roadies.
He was good in Roadies.
And I felt bad when he didn't win, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Something turned inside of me when I watched Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
Because
The moral
वो
conscience
पागल
turned.
आदमी का जो moral conscience मुझसे प्रोसेस नहीं हो रहा है वो 4 एपिसोड प्रोसेस में निकले हैं उसके
Cannot.
Dude,
So-
this whole thing about process नहीं हो रहा है reminded me of a recent season of Big Boss that I saw with Kirti, which was the Charlene season.
Oh, that's not a recent
it's so
season.
sad
but
to say that you just said it's a recent season.
yeah, it's not recent.
And we watched it recently,
It's
no?
way too
No,
old.
it was way back. 2021 or 2022.
Oh shit, that's been 5 years?
yeah,
Shit,
bro.
dude. But I remember he wasn't there like a
Yeah,
moment
I
like
was
that.
like,
where someone he was seeing in the house went out and he came back and he was very
Yeah, I
hakka
have
wakka,
flabbergasted.
flabbergasted.
So guys, just from this fact that he said it is recent, you can know whose opinions to listen to in this podcast
Correct.
and
So
who's
I am
not.
the more objective opinion. You know, I keep it all separate.
But yeah, even though Yogesh ne jo bhi kiya, but his drama is the one that kept everyone hooked.
That's
And still
fair.
is even after the show.
Yeah.
Right?
Firstly, I think ये season was big not because of the season. I think in the recent past, it has become a trend to make cringe things viral. It has become a trend on Instagram to see cringe things which were usually considered cringe by everyone, and everyone used to alienate themselves. But now owning up to your cringe has become a trend.
Yeah.
Yes. absolutely right.
Recently.
That's very true.
So that's why I think, and of course it was spicy because of all the crap that was going in the show. No,
Yeah, yeah.
I won't say it's crap. I
We
consider
enjoyed
it
it.
quality.
It's not crap.
No,
but
I call it crap. I just want more hate. No, please don't hate me.
तुम्हारा
I'm
तो मैं
tired of
phone
the
check
hate.
करूंगी
I'm tired of the
तुम्हारा.
hate.
So I think that also played because if you remember अभी जो Big Boss भी गया जिसमें तान्या मित्तल आई थी प्रणित
Oh
था
my God.
वो भी
The Tanya.
हाँ the तान्या मित्तल उसका Instagram is amazing by the way guys.
now? Even
yeah,
now?
it's gold.
yeah.
So she also became a meme, and then everyone was mimicking or doing things because it has become a trend
Yeah.
to like cringe things and then gather audiences basis that. So that played well for this show very much because एक तो love का concept है but love तो कहीं भी नहीं है इस show
नहीं
में
वो तो मैं expect भी नहीं करते भाई.
और but फिर मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं love का तो मजा तो आ रहा है देखने में.
So is there like when you guys also just talking about the two of you, if you guys are watching an episode of Splitsvilla, are you watching it from a lens of this is cringe but I enjoy it, or you're watching it because you're actually interested in their interpersonal relationships and you're actually invested in?
I'm
the
interested in the drama.
Yeah.
Anyone who's watching Splitsvilla for love, sorry, you are at the wrong place.
Delulu.
Yeah, you are Delulu.
I'm excited.
That show is for Kalesh, and I love Kalesh.
Same.
That's
ditto.
any
And that
reality
is-
show, right?
Yeah.
That is what reality shows have become.
Yeah.
But I have been watching Splitsvilla. I watched all the seasons of Splitsvilla. So
And you've seen some of them on repeat, like multiple times.
nahi, no. Not Splitsvilla, only Big Boss.
Oh, only Big Boss you can watch again, is it?
I started
Oh
with
God,
Splitsvilla. I
I'm
lost.
going to lose all my cred, all aura points
That's fine.
today.
Embrace the cringe.
Yeah.
I was like,
Embrace the
Kirti
cringe.
is so amazing.
Yeah.
आज पता चलेगा तुम्हें क्या देखती हूँ मैं.
आज तुम्हारा असली fan follow ही पता चलेगा. Who likes you not? But like I watched Splitsvilla from first year, but मैंने बीच में I lost
नहीं
touch.
मैंने हर सीजन
नहीं,
देखा है स्प्लिट्सविला, हर रोडी देखा है और क्रिंज ही था पिछले कुछ सालों से. इट वाज नॉट फनी इवन, द ड्रामा वाज नॉट इवन डूइंग द ड्रामा, इट वाज जस्ट क्रिंज. तो मैं फोन यूज करते करते देखती थी कि चल रहा है और मैं फोन यूज कर रही हूँ. बट ये सीजन मैंने फोन साइड पे रख के
Yeah.
दिन में टाइम निकाल के कि मैं रात को देखूंगी ताकि कोई मुझे डिस्टर्ब ना करे.
Or it got promoted from second screen viewing to first screen.
Yeah, so this season was good.
Yeah, this is the time
The
of
drama
owning your
was
guilty
good.
pleasure.
The drama was good. Yeah, it is the time of owning a guilty pleasure, and the drama was drama.
Drama was drama. Oh my
Okay, so
God.
so the thing is, right, I'm still thinking that someone watching who is not that aware of Splitsvilla would have a difficult time in following what we're talking about. So can we like, what is this season of Splitsvilla? What was the X
I
factor?
mean, you
The
tell
drama.
me.
That's
It's the drama. If you have to watch like the messiest love triangle, if you have to watch the messiest friendships, messiest equations, I think that is what the season was about.
Some hand throwing amongst women, scratching
Chai
each
throwing,
yeah,
other.
sure.
Some chai throwing,
some throwing dresses in the
throwing
pool.
dresses in the pool. Yeah.
So nobody is watching the show for the concept
वो
because
दिल्ली के लौंडो वाला तू लड़ेगा वाले
वो तो,
attempts.
हाँ, वो तो होता ही है.
Just attempts because no one has
because the
guts
show
to do.
has no pattern. Because every
Yeah,
episode
they do make up rules all the time, dude.
Every episode they change the rules
They just
and
make it up.
they saved whoever they wanted to save till the last and they eliminated everyone together in the end.
Yeah.
कि अब सब
Bro,
चले रहो.
after 42 episodes, there were almost 20 people
Still remaining.
Yeah.
still remaining after 42 episodes.
So,
And after a point, it was like, कभी निकालेंगे ये किसी को या नहीं निकालेंगे?
I don't think they cared about the show.
And
So
then
they
they did
also
it in-
cared about the drama.
Yeah, and then they did it in झुंड. आप सबको निकालो.
हाँ, उर्फी आई मिस्चिफ मेकर.
हाँ.
उसने बोला मेरे को तो मिस्चिफ चाहिए.
Oh yeah, like how,
Also, I liked Urfi this season.
Yeah, so did
very
I.
strange, I never thought I would say
dissolving
it. But
those fillers really worked for you, I have to say. You look better than Sunny and Nia and Karan.
so the hosts were different this season than the
yes, so Karan was new.
Karan
Sunny
was
has been there forever. Mischief Maker was just Urfi in the last season.
Yeah.
And this time they added Nia. They could have not. It was unnecessary.
Oh yeah, by the way, Mischief Maker was also one of the concepts they took from the previous season. Because Urfi had come
they
in
made
once.
it kind of traitorish though, right? Isn't it like kind of traitor the
Hey,
traitor?
Traitor
no,
अभी
no, no.
आजकल का बच्चा है. You
Traitor
can't
is a-
compare it to the OG.
You can't compare it. Also, Traitor is a
What
very
I know.
different concept.
What I
Urfi came in one of the seasons जिसमें Kashish था. She came as a contestant and that was just to create some mischief. And then after a few episodes,
Actually,
she
just
went.
wanted to get some
Yeah.
clout from Urfi because Urfi
she
was up and coming
हाँ,
at
it was
that
after the
time.
Big Boss OTT stint, I think. Yeah. So then the next season they made her the Mischief Maker. So that is how they pick concepts from previous season. That was also
They're
one
like
of
जो
those
चलेगा उसको अगले सीजन में और चलाएंगे दौड़ाएंगे.
Why not? That's a good way.
and
to
that's a
go
good
about
thing.
it.
I think this season it worked so well for them.
Yeah. So you think any of these people come back for the next season of Priscilla as like hosts and contestants or whatever?
Yeah. So this
Sunny
season
Leone-
Kashish came
Sunny
and
Leone's
Digvijay
life
came.
is
Sunny Leone
one
ठीक है.
part of her life is Splitsvilla.
Sunny तो ठीक है. I'm saying, do you think any of the contestants will come back as hosts sometime?
Yeah.
soon?
Highly possible. Digvijay came for an episode. Kashish came
They
for
can
an
come
episode.
as guests. They
Not the
cannot
hosts.
come as the host.
No, at least not
None of
immediately.
them have that aura. Sorry.
वो दो तो build करना होता है यार. वो तो एक सीजन में हो गया. वो तो कर लो.
What the aura that Ranvijay, Nikhil Chinnappa और Karan Kundra.
Actually,
Sorry.
रणविजय गया तो उसके बाद उनको वो स्पेस फिल करने के लिए टाइम लगा.
हाँ, हर साल नया आता
Karan
था
was
ना.
fine
Karan
only.
was fine. But also I feel like more than Karan, it was the season that worked. So like people also
Yeah.
thought that okay, Karan also
Karan
worked.
works. हाँ.
But like it was not that Karan was bad.
He was okay.
He worked
He was serviceable.
for what he
He
was
didn't do anything
supposed
special.
to.
I have to give a special mention कि Sunny in this season was quite bitchy. I have to say.
No.
She was very involved in
Yeah,
all
she
the
was quite
stories.
involved.
dude.
She's not
Sunny
usually
was-
that involved, and she's like,
No,
"जो करना
because
है करो, मेरा
I just
बहुत
loved it
करो."
also.
Yeah, it was fun. I
That's
loved
because
it.
they also must have realized at some point, oh, this is working well. Let's
Yeah.
capitalize on that.
But
you know?
no.
But no, the shoot was
because
done
the
way
shoot
back.
was
Oh,
done.
okay.
The shoot was completed
In December.
before it kind of telecast. That is, I think that is what
okay.
They
is
might
the
have gotten the hint while shooting also because
while
this,
shooting. Yeah, they might have got the hint that it might work.
That
But
is-
that is with roadies and splits. For anyone who thinks that because of the audience's reaction they are changing things, it doesn't happen because the whole show is shot
Already pre-shot, yeah.
before it even starts telecasting.
Fair, that makes sense. That makes sense.
But it's just last season roadies and this season Splitsvilla. First time they've had ki final
करेंगे.
finale has happened after the show has aired.
हाँ, so the finale, the whole drama जहाँ पे हुआ, जो main voting वाला दिन,
And tune in
that was
later.
shot a week ago.
Oh.
Tune in for more on that later.
Yeah.
We are giving hooks again and again.
Yeah, 35 minutes in, we'll talk about that. Okay, so moving ahead, who are your favorite couples and like or connections as they're called?
Yes.
Oh my god, he's
He gets
learning.
it.
And who are your favorite contestants?
So for me, hands down, very unabashedly, I loved Diptanshu and
Same.
Saundarya.
Same. Not
Just-
Saundarya. Not
So,
Saundarya
I'll
for
tell you
me.
why.
Tanshu was funny. So
I
nice.
tell you why
Yeah.
I loved them because they both were full of this dynamism. और भाई इतने witty थे, and like in all the girls, like Sandy was the most fun, entertaining and dynamic person, and दीप्तांशु का तो भाई अलग ही लेवल था.
Tanshu is the best.
I still remember जो उसने वो रोस्ट किया था भाई गौरिश का, that was another level.
That was very funny.
वो आदमी अलग लेवल पे चला गया था.
और वो वीडीज में आके बोल रहा है कि आपको तो पता है मेरे को तो कलेश करना पसंद है, आपको तो पता है मैं तो कुछ आग लगा के आऊंगा, मैं तो कुछ करूंगा कुजली.
उसका इंट्रो ये था कि what kind of girl you want, कलेशी. And that's what he got with Saundarya.
Yeah.
And I think that was the perfect jodi.
What was their end ka thing? Why didn't they?
Because
perform
he
together or
so
whatever?
basically he had a girlfriend outside.
And she found out.
He had told
Are you
her.
asking about show ka ya baat ka?
No, I'm talking about on the show.
On the show.
At
On the
end,
show.
Towards the last few episodes, they weren't
so
together or
basically, because Saundarya got a option to either choose ticket to finale
Or Diptanshu.
or continue with Diptanshu.
and she chose to
She chose ticket to finale.
Chose ticket to finale because she realized कि he already has a proper girlfriend outside. He told her explicitly. She fell in love with him.
No, she didn't fall in love. They both were very clear.
You need to watch all the podcasts and get on with the game. I cannot tolerate this.
Yeah. I don't even
Guys,
understand
I
how
have-
you go on a reality show and fall in love in the first place. That's crazy to me.
I have
But okay.
spoken to the girl, and she had
Now
told me
she'll say
they
that
both
she was
were
not in
very
love.
clear. So that is why even on the
That's
show they were very clear.
Self respect बोलते हैं उसको.
हाँ, they
अब
were
वो नहीं
very
बोलेगी
clear
कि मेरे को
उनका
प्यार
game
हो गया था.
But जो भी भाई दीप्तांशु क्या गजब आदमी था.
हाँ,
मैं
मेरा favorite
I am
भी
a
दीप्तांशु.
दीप्तांशु stan.
Same.
Very
I am.
Diptanshu stan.
Have you ended up meeting him?
No, not yet. See how I say not yet. I just saw that he shot a reel in my building.
Oh.
So maybe he lives in either there or he came the reel he shot with Saurabh. It was in our building only.
Oh.
There are multiple people from.
Oh yeah, guys, multiple Splitsvilla
in
people
or around your
live
building.
in my building. Now don't ask me my address in the comments.
That's insane.
You don't never know. Split Paglus can ask.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we are a community.
Yeah.
Your favorite contestant?
My favorite contestant.
Dead air.
Diptanshu was fine. I think. Yeah, Diptanshu, dude.
Diptanshu was the only one.
He was the only one who I
was
actually
having-
kind of resonated with. He was,
Yeah.
you know, he wasn't taking
taking
anything
it so
too seriously.
Yeah.
He was like
Bakchod.
in it for the Bakchodi. He's the only one who actually I resonated with to any regard. Also a little bit Gullu because he also he was serious about the game,
But he was funny.
but he was funny.
He
He
was
joke
funny.
mar raha tha. You know, so that was what I liked about at the end of it.
Yeah.
And the one who hated, the one you hated the most.
Himanshu, dude, without a doubt,
Man.
was very hateable.
Himanshu was very hateable.
I hated
Yeah.
Sadaf.
Towards
I'm
the-
sorry.
Sadaf towards the end became just a crying
My
piece. dude.
God, she was
All
just,
she was
she
just-
went on
she was
and
just-
on
Dude,
and
she was
on.
just like lamenting about her and Tane's relationship and
Yeah,
how it
bro.
didn't reach the place she wanted to become.
Sadaf,
And she became
wouldn't.
actually irritating. To
Yeah.
the point I started siding with Tane. Dude, I understand what you're going through.
was
It's
so
okay.
funny.
I get it.
I'll still take a crying Sadaf over a normal Diksha.
Oh, yeah, I
Okay.
don't like this.
So
Diksha to the
Diksha,
subtitle art. of
that
not
is,
giving a fuck.
I feel like
the funniest thing.
the subtitle art of
Subtitle art is
giving
the
a fuck.
funniest thing ever. For those who don't know, I'll
Oh,
explain it to you
do
quickly.
and die.
Do and
So
die.
quickly, I'll explain to you. She was after Splitsvilla ended. She was on some interview or something, right?
Yeah.
And so someone asked her, "Okay, oh, so what are the books you're reading? Or what kind of books do you read?" Okay, and she goes, "Yeah, I'm reading this book. What is it called? Subtitle art of not giving a fuck." Okay, it's subtle art. Okay, not giving a fuck. And she, dude, that's clearly you've not read it. Or she's so good at the book that she's figured it out, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just rage
Yeah.
bait people. I
But
don't give
so
a
for
fuck.
me, Himanshu Diksha were like the people I hated the most.
Sure, and they got each other.
And
They
it
got
helped,
each other.
yeah, and it helped that they were together.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
you
it
can-
made it easier to hate them.
one unit. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
I could like project all my hatred towards one.
Oh.
For me, it helped.
Fair.
And towards the end, like Yogesh became irritating. Very
योगेश
irritating.
योगेश के लिए सेपरेट हेट है मेरे दिल में, वो हम आराम से बात करेंगे. बट सदफ, मैं भी तुम्हें डंप कर देती कि जितना तुम रो रही थी, ठीक है. मतलब मैं भी बहुत रोते हूँ, बट मेरे लिए भी टू मच था.
Yeah, I don't know the way they showed it, or was it real? Ki I felt bad for Tane.
Yeah.
I felt ये बेचारा क्यों इतना फंसे जा रहा
At
है.
the end, he was like, "Hey, you guys, just because she cries, you go and console her. I have to be alone, and nobody comes and talks to me." I'm like, "Yeah, dude, fuck."
भाई एक तो इंग्लिश में बोल रहा था तो आधा नहीं रिलेट हो रहा था
Yeah,
लोगों
correct.
को.
Yeah,
हिंदी में जैसे योगेश ने फिनाले में हिंदी में बोला, लोग रिलेट करें. फर्क होता है मातृभाषा.
हाँ, पर फिर भी हारा तो बेचारा.
बट टेन ने सबसे फनी है जब टिकट टू फिनाले ले लिया और उससे पूछा कि क्यों लिया टेन आपने, तो बोलता है कि
I was
आई
like-
कांट स्टैंड बीइंग इन अ प्रेजेंस.
He didn't have to say it like that.
Couldn't have been more
Yeah.
brutal.
He didn't have to like go all out there. He could have just said, "Hey, I don't think it was a good connection." He said, "I can't stand the side of her." Basically, he said.
But imagine listening to that for hours. You would also say that. The Dome session ki recording used to go all night. Imagine even 1 hour of her lamenting.
Good. Yeah.
I would have killed
Tain has
myself.
given many such छोटे-छोटे
lines,
moments.
yes.
I still remember that skit वाले task में after Himanshu's performance when he did Tain and Sadaf, Himanshu Diksha, they asked, "Is there anyone who enjoyed their performance?" Tain raised his hand and then he said, "Out of pity."
Yeah,
Bro, I was like, bro, this guy.
I know that.
Another person I really liked was Ron. रॉन की सबने इतनी बेइज्जती की है, पर रॉन के सर पे एक फ्राउन भी नहीं था. रॉन
Bro,
टॉल खड़ा है कि तुम करो मेरी बेइज्जती, मुझे आदत है. मेरी होती रहती है.
वो देख के मुझे बस ये है कि no splits villa for good men.
Yeah, no, sir.
I remember, so early on, this is early in the season, okay, there was like this concept of two bungalows.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So they
Two
started-
villas,
two
please,
villas,
let's say two
sorry,
villas.
Susila. Two split bungalows where they were like, it was the Paisa villa and the Pyar villa, okay, basically. And they had like, of these 32 people, 16 were in each bungalow. And they were asked to form pairs and do tasks within themselves. Before they, I think like about 10 episodes, 15 episodes in, they got combined or something like that, okay. And early on, when they were separated, there were two people who I found very entertaining to watch, okay.
Okay.
One was Ron.
हाँ.
And one was the guy who talked like this, yaar.
Vishu.
Vishu. Yeah, Vishu. Okay, you get it. Okay, so this guy,
बजाऊंगा
yeah, correct, yaar.
Bro, the Tanshu did it so well.
Yeah.
मैंने बोला यार.
Yeah, exactly. So these two people, no, there were different points where their connections, the girls they were with, told them, hey, I don't feel like you're giving us the time, or we're not connecting. I feel like you don't come and talk to me. Okay. Ron said whatever he said because that became like a constant running thing between Ron and his
Asmita.
and Asmita. Okay, and they became a constant thing.
Yeah.
I remember Vishu's excuse was, "यार मैंने तेरे को toy दिया तो." Like that was his like, dude, what more do you want me to do? I give a fucking toy, dude. That was the best.
विशु भी बहुत मस्त एंटरटेनिंग था भाई.
कहाँ था entertaining? He looked like someone who you will hate, but then he wins you over by
By being so dumb.
by being dumb, but also he was surprisingly good at tasks always.
He was good at tasks
Yeah.
actually. Yes.
मुझे तो गौरीश से उम्मीद थी कि शुरू में कि वो अच्छा, but he became boring.
Dude, yeah, he was very level-headed in the beginning.
Yeah,
And I
he
was like,
actually
this makes
was
sense.
He was
sensible. That's why he
Basically वो
became bored.
गुल्लू गौरीश और विशु के ग्रुप में he was a
Correct.
level-headed one,
Yes, yes,
but he became boring after a point.
Because he was
So
सीधा
boring.
only. वो
Yeah.
सीधा लड़का था
वो बेचारा एक तो वो बेचारा झलक और उसके बीच में फंस
हाँ
गया
भाई, एक
आकांक्षा.
तो
Ah.
अब क्या दिखाएं बाहर की
पर
प्यार
एक तो
correct.
चीज हुई है इस सीजन में कि the girls, all the girls, I don't want to
Very
be
needy,
a
or
girl
needy?
hater, but they came on so strong
Oh.
on the boys कि
Strong or needy? What is...
नीडी बोल सकते हैं कि मतलब वो गौरेश बोल रहा है मैं आकांक्षा के साथ जाता हूँ उस पे, वो क्या बोलते हैं फकिंग ओरेकल, कि तो झलक उधर रो रही है. अरे भाई मतलब चिल
और
थोड़ा
जब वो
तो.
झलक के पास जाता है तो आकांक्षा बोलती है कि I feel used.
यस
I feel used.
भाई.
Like-
और सदफ, मैं बार बार बोलूंगी सदफ के बारे में कि सदफ तुमने क्या गया भाई, मतलब why?
So much
Train is
Sadaf,
also not that good even. मतलब मोहित होता तो मैं सोच भी सकती थी. ट्रेन के लिए क्या रोना?
But she fell, dude. Sadaf तो hard fell in love.
ठीक है,
with
यू
him, like.
फेल एंड वो तुम्हारी बेइज्जती कर रहा है लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर कि ये तो मेरे पीछे ही पड़ गई है, ये तो बोल रही है शादी करेंगे, बच्चे करेंगे. how do you take that insult and still want to be with
Yeah.
that person? You just have some self-respect and with dignity.
with multiple
be
of
like-
एक तो तुम स्प्लिट्सविला पे आके शादी और बच्चों की बात कैसे कर सकते
Correct.
हो?
Firstly, that. Yes.
Firstly
Firstly,
that.
मैंने आज ही सदफ का पॉडकास्ट सुना है. उसने बच्चों की बात नहीं की थी. Guys, I have
Oh,
to.
you're believing Sadaf now suddenly?
It
Oh
was
my God, Team Sadaf.
It
Yeah,
was
just
like-
because Stain has been on a podcast here, dude.
Tain has been on a podcast. वो भी सुना
Just because he didn't bitch about Sadaf, man.
एक नंबर भाई, एक नंबर.
भाई.
भाई.
बट वो टेन ने पहले बोला था कि मेरी आइज का कलर और तुम्हारी आइज का कलर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और हमारे बच्चों के तो बड़े मस्त लगेंगे, सुंदर बच्चे होंगे हमारे. देन
This is just a pickup line.
हाँ, तो देन he started it.
You can't say that we were discussing having kids.
That
This was
Tain
just a
only said, but
pickup line.
Tain only said this after.
He said it as like just a piece of connection, you know, you talk, make small talk. You
No,
don't like
he was just
make that as
he was not interested in Sadaf anymore because she was being whiny and very whiny, and he should have just said that कि मुझे अब नहीं पसंद, मैं बोर हो गया हूँ. But उसने ऐसे अंट शंट excuses दिए उससे ब्रेकअप करने के जो वो समझ भी नहीं रही है, वो रोए ही जा रही है 2 घंटे का उसका मोनोलॉग चल रहा है एपिसोड में.
But I have to give it to Tain कि like हर contestant कहीं ना कहीं gets on your nerves for being irritating.
Yeah.
Tain कुछ बहुत ज्यादा भी कर नहीं रहा था,
नहीं,
but he
Tain,
never
हाँ.
got on your nerves.
He did.
He was very chill.
Yeah, he was
पूरे
chill.
इसमें और
क्योंकि
बीच-बीच में वो बस
उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा था आधा,
या वो
इसीलिए
बीच-बीच में बड़े मस्त से moments दे देता था.
correct.
Yes.
So I loved that about him.
Yeah, correct.
Like who else did you like? What did you think of Mohit and
I liked Anushka.
Okay, so only 2 things to say about Mohit and Mohit, the most good-looking guy in the season.
have you met him?
And yeah, I did meet
30
him.
minutes
and
in, guys.
secondly,
Now you get the gossip.
the worst choice in partner. Other than that, nothing much to say about him in the season.
But I liked Anushka. I don't know what you have
No, I'm
against her.
saying as his partner.
But she liked
Anushka
him.
was good.
But she liked
Anushka
him.
was a great player. I'm just saying Mohit and Anushka because Anushka needed someone like
Who was really
who
into
was
the
little
game.
fiery.
Yeah.
Like a
Fiery.
Diptanshu.
Yes.
Someone like him, they would have killed it. They would have reached the finale aram se.
Yes.
But he was so cold and she was so fiery.
Yeah. So
Their,
it was
their pairing didn't
Yeah.
worked out at all.
But they looked good together. That's all.
It's Mohit who looked good.
No, Anushka looks nice. She's a pageant winner, guys. Contestant.
She's a pageant contestant.
Contestant.
Yeah, I was just gonna correct you, please.
Contestant or a winner?
pageant contestant.
Pageant
Her
contestant.
and Akansha were in the
Both
same.
in Miss Universe India. I'm a pageant nerd, guys, so
Yeah.
you can ask me about that.
Really?
Why?
Pageant nerd?
Yeah.
I am surprised.
Yeah, I know. They were in Miss Universe India.
Yeah.
And they both were state winners.
Yeah.
And state winners कोई भी हो जाता है, तो इतना मन नहीं.
हाँ.
You know, I've been a state winner, guys. Yes. लोगों को क्या पता यार? Who's gonna go check?
Yeah. He was there in Miss Universe 2019, guys.
Correct. Yeah.
Miss Universe India 2019.
I was the winner, guys.
Yeah. बस
man.
उस समय दाढ़ी नहीं
It
थी.
was a different time in my life.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Anushka won me over with her re-entry. It was the best re-entry ever.
अनुष्का वन मी ओवर विद हर प्लानिंग की मैं निकल जाती हूँ तो मैं अपना पावर कार्ड यूज कर पाऊंगी. एंड शी हैड सो
Super.
फार फेस्ट थिंकिंग. एंड वो उस पे सनी लियोनी ने कितना ज्यादा किया था
हाँ,
कि यू
कि-
प्लेड मी
हाँ,
अरे
I won't
भाई
trust any
अब वो गेम में
contestant
आके प्ले नहीं
anymore.
करेगी तो कहाँ करेगी.
Sunny Leone
That I
थोड़े
really
तो
liked.
हाँ.
She used her mind.
You just explain this what happened. So Anushka had been
Yeah,
eliminated.
so Anushka was the target of the villa because no one liked her because she was too bitchy, she was too
Full of
good
herself.
full of herself and
Yeah.
too good of a player.
Yeah, that's
So
more
she
than any.
Oh, was
was
she
the
actually a good player?
Yeah,
also?
she was.
Yeah,
a
yeah.
good
What does
player.
it mean to be a good player in this?
So
She
you
knew-
don't get nominated. You keep
She
be
knew
away
how to
from
manipulate
the.
situations. I'm not saying just people. She knew how to manipulate situations to her favor.
That's awesome.
So that she was good at.
Okay.
Now she was the target, so she knew she will get eliminated, and उसके साथ साथ मोहित भी जाता. ठीक है. Now they were given power cards. And also another concept. Power cards was if you get dumped, you have either a पैसा card or a प्यार card. हाँ, प्यार कार्ड और पावर कार्ड. With power card, you give split coins, you can get saved. With प्यार card, you can choose someone from the villa to go to the oracle with. If you are an ideal match, you get saved.
So again,
So-
you have to tell people what is Oracle, what is Perfect Match.
इतना तो मेरा
No,
पता है.
जो लोग
Do
Splitsvilla
people
का
know
देख रहे हैं
this?
उन्हें Oracle पता है.
Oracle पता है.
Oracle.
Oracle.
I'm thinking of
Oracle is a device.
Oracle क्या हम एक आइडियल मैच है. Oracle की कैलकुलेशंस के अनुसार मोहित और अनुष्का आप
So
एक आइडियल मैच.
Oracle is like a meme.
Oracle is a device.
It's a scientific device, guys. Very
that
ahead of its
according
time.
to
Yeah, yeah.
their algorithms, they deduce if you are going to be an ideal match.
And if you are an ideal match, you get to sit on the throne for
Throne.
Throne
There's
of the
the
week.
get
player
saved or whatever.
throne, there's
Yeah.
a
And
power.
the power of sitting on that throne is that you get to nominate the people who will be
Either
eliminated.
dumped or
Eliminated or
saved.
So like, yeah,
saved.
something
There were
like that,
two
yeah.
thrones this time, Power
Power
Throne
throne
and
and
Pyar
Pyar
Throne.
throne,
So Power couple, Power Throne पे वो बैठते
क्या है
थे.
ये? And people watch this.
Power Throne पे वो लोग बैठेंगे जिनके पास सबसे ज्यादा split coins है.
What a
प्यार.
split coins now, dude.
Okay, so
Split
split
coins,
coins is
yeah.
the Splitsvilla currency.
So,
Oh,
so
You
this time
perform
you could
task
have
and earn.
this time you could have won. In usually Splitsvilla का motto है कि you can win if you have a partner, if you have a loved one with you, and that is your power. But in this season, you could have won in two ways. या तो you have a good loving partner, or you have a lot of money.
As in split coins.
A lot of
Not
split
in a bank
coins.
balance.
हाँ, split
Yeah.
coins.
So Power Throne पे वो बैठेगा जिसके पास highest split coins.
coins है.
Power और प्यार
प्यार
Throne
throne
पे
पे ideal match
whoever is the latest ideal match.
Latest.
ठीक है. हाँ, क्योंकि there were people who were 2 minutes ideal match also.
Yeah. और फिर कोई और
Our beloved Sandy and Diptanshu.
Oh.
And फिर कोई और गया वो भी आइडियल मैच बन गया तो
And,
उनको हटा
and
दिया.
those others were Mohit and Anushka.
Mohit and Anushka, yes. That was actually an epic moment.
Yeah, that was epic.
Okay then. Have we talked about all the contestants?
So
Because I
we
do want
were.
to get to some of the
Arey,
best
so you
moments.
wanted to for the audience to know.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so Anushka ने ये plan बनाया था because she was the target for her to actually have some power is if she gets eliminated or dumped so that she can go and use her power card and
then
become
get
an ideal match.
match. ये तो बहुत ही ultra level
And
planning.
she had a very far sight.
But
And
what
it-
if they don't become an ideal
Then
match?
she would have gotten
Which is
eliminated. But
But,
you know,
but
you
there
can
was
tell.
no one else in the villa who she could have connected with because everyone hated her.
Yeah.
She only had Mohit.
and
to
usually if
also-
you are
Oh,
with
someone is someone else's ideal match कहीं ना कहीं
हाँ,
in the
हाँ,
house.
Yeah, in the
And
house.
to also survive, they also
Okay, I just got that now. Dude. I never understood the ideal match thing at all.
they also portrayed that they were at odds when they were not. So वो भी
Yeah.
उनकी planning का हिस्सा
You're
था.
bad.
Yeah, I know. I
Mohit,
remember.
bro.
And Anushka. were at
Anushka.
odds. Oh, I remember that part.
Yeah,
I was
he-
like, why are they?
But वो नहीं थे, तो वो उनकी
और
planning
अनुष्का ने
थी.
तभी बहुत रोने की
हाँ.
एक्टिंग की बट एक भी आंसू दिखा नहीं
But
मुझे.
if you see, उसकी planning actually worked because when they got dumped,
Yeah.
she used the power card और वो लोग ideal match बन गए. That was the moment when Sandy and Diptanshu were the ideal match और उन्होंने dump किया था
हाँ.
अनुष्का और मोहित
अनुष्का.
को, बट वो बन गए पावर कार्ड से आइडियल मैच.
Ideal match.
सो वो भी थ्रोन से गए और ये
लोग
खुद थ्रोन पे आ भी गए.
दोनों
So Sandy and Diptanshu were literally on for like 5 minutes. They were
2
on.
minutes.
That is
30
wild.
On
seconds.
screen 2 minutes. I don't know in
That is
real.
wild,
कितना.
dude.
Yeah,
What a waste.
Anushka was.
So are you saying that had Diptanshu and Saundarya waited for next week
To eliminate
to
them.
go to the Oracle to find out whether the ideal match or not, they could have been on through for longer?
Yeah.
No, or if they would have dumped someone else.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because इतना सबको पता था कि पावर कार्ड किस किसके पास है.
Complicated है guys. इस बार हर डोम में नए rules थे. They were
So
like,
basically they gave
we
them-
don't give a fuck.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
gave
it
them
became very
every
difficult to follow some of these rules, dude.
they gave them every opportunity to save themselves.
Yeah.
It was very difficult to eliminate someone.
Dude, weren't there like, wasn't there one person in the beginning, like a girl who completely lost her mind in the beginning only?
Kiona.
Fiona, what happened to her? I haven't seen her in any of the promotions, none of the things
So
after that also.
she was there at the finale,
Oh, was she?
but no one noticed.
No one noticed.
Because
they didn't talk to her.
Because there was so much at the finale to
Yeah.
look at.
So Kiona, I'll tell you, was someone who just came on a vacation. After a certain point, she realized, इसमें तो काम करना पड़ेगा.
Oh, okay.
मुझे जाना है,
कोई मुझे
जाना है.
like ही नहीं कर रहा है.
I booked the wrong tour.
And she left.
That's
By
right.
the way, कुछ चीजें बोलनी है मुझे before I forget. एक तो ये सीजन चेन्नई में शूट हुआ था, which beautiful it was. The villa was beautiful and the sea looked great.
The
क्योंकि
contestants
पिछले
were beautiful.
के contestants were also better than last
yeah,
few
last few
seasons,
seasons.
and the locations were better than the last few seasons. The tasks were better than the last few seasons. तो इस सीजन में उन लोगों ने ये चीज ध्यान रखी, तो I appreciate that.
Yeah.
सेकेंडली मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल चीज रही जो इस बार स्प्लिट्सविला की, कि वो लोग इस बार स्प्लिट्सविला 3 दिन आ रहा था,
Yeah.
2-2 घंटे का एपिसोड आ रहा था, तो मेरा तो पेट भरा मस्त बस पेट भरा मेरा कि वाह किसने सोचा ये, कौन है ये जीनियस, उसका प्रमोशन करो अभी का.
So it was like Friday, Saturday, Sunday देखो.
भाई
Monday to Thursday ऑफिस में वो डिस्कस करो. And then again Friday, Saturday, Sunday you watch. It was the perfect kind of schedule for the week.
यस एंड ऐसा वीकेंड का वो हो ही नहीं सकता आगाज
और
स्प्लिट्सविला
अंजाम.
के एपिसोड, और फिर संडे का एपिसोड मैं मंडे को देखती थी, मंडे को बेटर बनाने के लिए. स्प्लिट्सविला,
Great, yeah.
I'll miss you, I'll miss you.
What a tough life you have, Kirti. Sorry, yaar.
Very, very.
Shit, what a hectic life. I have to ask, what is the average age of these contestants who come up on Splitsvilla?
20 to
Yeah,
20.
wait. Guess.
Dude, I think most of these people look like at least between 25 to 30, maybe 32 upper limit.
Okay. If you are over 25, you are too old.
To be
For
on Splitsvilla.
Splitsvilla. So there was a season.
Because you grow a frontal lobe.
So there was
You create a conscience.
yeah. You realize
Become
this is not
smarter.
worth it, guys.
Yeah, correct. Become a little wiser. No wisdom allowed.
So
Your
there-
wisdom tooth pops out. You don't want that.
I forgot it was season 12, I think, or 11 when Fez was there.
Yes.
That Fez tha na, I am forgetting.
Fez.
That guy was 27 years old, and throughout the season he was
Uncle,
called
Buddha.
uncle, and all.
27?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm already like 6 years older than that guy.
You know who Suzanne is this season, right?
Suzanne was whose partner?
Vishu.
Oh, Vishu's partner. Yeah. At
Yeah.
the end, she made all that Kalesh. No, with the
Yeah,
guy.
she divulged
Yeah.
The finale Kaleshi.
the
Okay.
Yeah.
oldest.
How old do you think she was?
26, 28. something like that.
Kirti, do you wanna tell her real age?
19.
The fuck? What?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is your average age for Splitsvilla.
now you have
She's
to-
not 19, dude.
She's
Come on.
19.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about like Himanshu and Gullu and all, dude?
Don't
Himanshu
care.
might be older.
No, but they were all like in the range of 18 to 25. This is the range even Splitsvilla looks out for contestants.
I think people have started looking older at a younger age nowadays also. Do you
Yeah,
think so?
yeah. And that is
Because
a
a lot-
discussion we will save for a future podcast.
Yeah.
But-
Tune in.
Yeah.
But see, what about like Niharika and Kaira? They do look older, man.
But they are not.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. You can Google and see
Yeah.
how old are they. But they are not. They usually, basically,
Crazy, dude.
their age group is like 18 to 25.
Are you
Is-
saying all these people are more successful than me? Being half my age?
if you count this as a success,
Oh
then
no,
yeah.
Niharika is 32.
Oh, yeah, see?
But are you sure?
हाँ.
मतलब अगर Google बोल रहा
Can you
Google पे.
trust Google?
I mean,
अब age
she so
अगर
so
गलत होती तो और
Niharika.
लोअर होती ना गलत ऊपर थोड़ा होती
Niharika has been in the industry for a
But
while.
yeah, she has
Roadies
been
में भी
there.
थी
She
वो
has been-
बहुत पहले
Kaira
वाले
की search
season.
करो.
कायरा के करते.
Yeah. This is how we use the
निहारिका
podcast.
connection
guys.
कौन था?
Sort of.
28. Kaira is 28.
Oh, yeah, so then that's
चलो ठीक है हमारी मैथ कर रहा था बट सुजैन 19 की थी ठीक
Suzanne
है
19 की. हाँ.
Suzanne 19
Yeah, what a range.
What a range.
what a
range.
range what a range
What range, what variation.
पर सुजैन से ज्यादा इमेच्योर तो मुझे निहारिका लगती थी
Niharika actually
she
perform
was
इतना
too
अच्छा
loud
करती थी. She was
a great performer but she was
Yeah.
too loud
उसने लास्ट में भी हक दिया थोड़ा.
हाँ.
पहले निहारिका पे जाए इससे पहले मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ स्पेशल मेंशन ऑफ स्पेशल अनोइंग पीपल अलोंग विद सदाफ इज अनीशा Chuck's girlfriend.
Dude, one of okay,
if we are talking about Anisha I have to say Chucks too
Yeah, Chuck's too. Okay.
dude, one of my we'll come to our I think we can start talking about our favorite moments. If I can start with.
Yeah,
okay?
please go.
One of the moments that I saw and I really enjoyed was the first time when the two houses, the two villas combined. Okay. And so basically what had happened, some backstory for anyone who doesn't know. Okay. What had happened is they were in Pyar Villa. Okay. Gullu and Kaira had formed like a very close connection.
Yeah.
And in the other Paisa Villa,
हाँ.
Anisha and Chuckdeep
Yes.
had formed a connection.
you just
okay?
switched it Pyar Villa
Yeah,
में
yeah.
जो भी और इधर हो
वो था.
maybe I got the villas wrong whatever okay
Yeah.
so Chaksh and Anisha had formed a connection and Kaira and Gullu had formed a connection like a close connection and especially the beginning of the season they want to show look how much of a good couple we are we're so
Yeah.
lovey-dovey oh beta tum hamare whatever you know
Beta.
so
And then the boys switched.
and then the boys had to switch houses switch villas whatever
Yeah.
okay and they went there. So now what happens is Gullu and Anisha get really close, okay?
Yeah.
And Gullu वहाँ पे लग रहा था कि he was a little intimidated by Kaira, which he was, which I think in
Yeah.
the end he was a little, and he still
Which is
okay?
understandable.
Yeah.
Kaira is a strong woman.
He's a strong woman, yeah. एंड अनीशा को देखते ही इसको गुल्लू को तो लगता है ऐसे प्यार ही हो गया कि क्या वो बड़ा ब्यूटी अरे मजे ही आ गए, अरे दिस इज नाउ गोना बी माय कनेक्शन,
हमारे साथ भी खेल लिया करो
हाँ,
कभी.
correct. So then now these Splitsvilla people also, you must say, okay, they know how to fucking chingari everything. Okay, put a chingari everywhere.
course.
Okay, because they say, okay, now you have to go on a date. Okay, they give this and Gullu and Anisha on a date.
Anish, yeah.
Okay, and they get like extra lovey-dovey on the date. They're like very close to each other, sitting almost kissing. और
Yeah.
kissing कर भी दिया हो तो उन्होंने दिखाया नहीं जरूरत.
He kissed her neck.
हाँ, Gullu kissed her neck.
Yeah.
Okay, and then he sang
And then they
for her or
danced.
something. Oh yeah,
And
they
then they
danced.
They danced.
And the शायरी पहना
है मैंने रेड पर फ्लैग हूँ मैं ग्रीन, आया हूँ स्प्लिट्सविला
बनाऊंगा तुम्हें अपनी क्वीन,
लेने अपनी क्वीन.
मारो मुझे मारो. तो he does all this, okay? And Anisha is also like gango, अरे वाह मेरे सरदार जी से पीछा छूटा.
और
आगे
रोडी
मेरे गुल्लू-
winner.
winner. Okay, great. Okay. Also, Gullu was seemingly a player because he had slid into in the first
So
episode.
many
He slid
of
into
them.
every girl's DMs. He's talked about. हाँ, मेरी और गुल्लू की बात हुई है पहले. कहाँ पे बहन? कहाँ पे?
मतलब मैं तो भूल गया हूँ. I've lost count.
Yeah, so Gullu player. Whatever, ठीक है. Now what happens is, so he's changed houses, has this connection with Anisha, goes on a date, is a lovey-dovey with her. Now Splitsvilla takes this footage, shows it to the people sitting in the other house, okay?
Yeah.
Shows Kyra and the other connections what their love interests or connections have
Are
to do in the
doing.
other house.
Yeah.
Okay? Kyra's upset as hell.
Yeah.
Okay? Or more upset, whatever we call it, for the sake of the camera, you have to act more angry
No,
than you
I
are
think
probably.
she
She
was
acted very
upset.
well if she was.
She
Yeah,
was
right,
upset.
Now the next episode is that they are doing some task. The Gullu wala house now,
Yeah.
Gullu's current house, villa. They are doing some task. Okay, at the end of the task, they have to blindfold everyone. They
They
staged
were
this so well.
blindfolded and they had to appreciate each other. 5 good things about
5 good
each
things.
other.
Yeah, they fucking. So they said, okay, Gullu, 5 nice things about Anisha. Anisha, 5 nice things that you appreciate about Gullu. Okay, they're all blindfolded. Blindfolded. इतने में ये blindfold निकालते हैं, आगे कायरा बैठी है. Which is so well staged,
Yeah.
right? And also Kyra, like a boss, she comes, sits like ऐसे पैर fold करके, ऐसे अपने log पे बैठे हुए. So that was a moment I like because Gullu पूरा ऐसा हक्का हो गया. He didn't know what to say. He didn't have a good answers to anything.
Yeah.
And Kyra's pissed and shouting at him. Then Chuck also उसको भी जोश आ जाता है कि वो कायरा बोल सकते मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ.
ब्रो मेरे लिए तो जो इसके बाद हुआ था
क्या हुआ था?
जब उसने झलक को उठा के वो नाची थी उसके साथ. कम ना बेबी डांस ना
वो डेट
वो
का
डेट का
mimic
adapt
करने
करते
के
हुए
लिए.
कायरा एंड झलक.
Kyra was mimicking Gullu
Mimicking
and
Gullu
Anisha's
and
date.
Anisha.
तो
Oh,
she
yeah,
picked
correct.
Jala
चिपक
का-
के नाचते हैं ना नाचते. Bro, that was
Yeah,
crazy.
she was
Also,
upset.
kudos to Kyra. She started in the show for me a bit annoying,
yeah.
but as the show progressed, I started loving her.
हाँ, she
because
was
she was
great.
one of the most genuine and strong person.
Yes,
Yeah,
and a
fair.
good performer.
Opinion wise, performance wise,
good
and every way.
personality.
And वो और गुल्लू साथ में सही लगते थे.
हाँ, yes.
Dude, there was some other moment with Akanksha, was it? Or with Anushka, was it? I forgot whom. There was earlier in the season where something about Maina Ud.
Tota Ud.
Tota Ud.
Oh, that was
That is
Yogesh and
Akansha.
Akansha's first date.
What happened?
No, that was during the switch only. Yogesh and Akansha on their first date had played Tota Ud
Maina
Maina
Ud.
Ud.
Okay.
And then Akansha, then when the villa switched, Akansha was chilling with Goresh. And then they went to Love Den, Akansha and Goresh, because they became an ideal match.
Yeah.
So Akansha was like, thank God, तू मेरे साथ डेट पे Tota Ud Maina Ud तो नहीं खेल रहा.
And this hurt Yogesh.
मुझे लग रहा है वही योगेश को चुभ गया.
और योगेश ने बोला,
वहीं से उसने कहा अब मैं तुझे उड़ाऊंगा.
तू देख.
अब तू उड़ रूडू कम.
अब मेरा favorite moment,
हाँ,
we come
yeah.
to my favorite moment was Ruru's entry. I'm sorry,
Okay.
guys.
So explain
This-
everything now.
So,
So explain the Akanksha Yogesh scenario
yes.
and then go
so
ahead into.
Yogesh has, along with Gullu, was a roadie ka banda.
They were the finalists of the season
Finalists
of
of the
Roadies.
last season of Roadies. So they are hot
No,
commodities in the
semi-finalist.
yeah. They are hot commodities in Splitsvilla, right? Because they are task performers. So all the girls are vying for Yogesh's attention in the beginning, but Yogesh immediately took a liking to Akansha, and so did she. And they were very cutesy all along, even during the switch after the.
It seemed they were actually liking each other.
They were
in real
actually
life.
liking each other. जबकि आकांक्षा पे बहुत blame लगाया सबने कि she already knew Yogesh was going to come, and of course she wants to be paired up with him because he's stronger
Popular.
and all, and whatever.
He's stronger than Goresh.
Stronger than everyone else because he's a roadie.
Mainly stronger ज्यादा था, popular है वो.
Popular, yes.
Oh, okay.
I have a comment on this once you complete.
But isn't that part of being on the show? Because why were they calling Akanksha manipulative for that?
Because they were like कि तूने इसलिए नहीं connect किया उससे क्योंकि you like him. तुमने बस इसलिए connect किया because he is good वैसा करके. तो वो दोनों का चल रहा था जो भी. फिर switch हुआ और switch के बाद भी they patched up very nicely. Yogesh didn't mind.
Because they were both very honest to each.
वो थोड़ा मेरे को iffy लगा क्योंकि she was very close with Goresh and Yogesh
they were
ने
an
कुछ बुरा ही
ideal
नहीं
match.
माना. योगेश बोला कि मैं ट्रस्ट करता हूँ बट भाई तू देख रहा है कि ट्रस्ट करने लायक तो ये है नहीं, बट ठीक है. फिर वो दोनों वापस मिले, फिर वो दोनों और क्लोज हो गए वापस मिलने के बाद. एंड देन इन अ डोम सेशन एल्विश आया था जिस वीक. एल्विश ने योगेश के लिए एक वाइल्ड कार्ड छोड़ के गया कि अब योगेश भाई तेरे लिए एक सरप्राइज भेज रहा हूँ मैं. और आती है रूरू.
No, पहले before that didn't they show some video clips or something?
हाँ, they पहले showed a video footage of Yogesh and Ruru being all lovey-dovey, implying that they were
Yogesh
a
is already dating
couple.
someone outside.
And in that videos, a few things to note down. Like a classic fuckboy that Yogesh is. उसने वही शर्ट रूरू को पहनाई जो उसने आकांक्षा को भी लैंड की. उसने वही निकनेम रूरू को भी दिया जो आकांक्षा को दे रहा है.
What is this?
तो भाई,
What? No game, dude.
yes, no game.
Or game.
Or game.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know.
उसने वही पहाड़ों पे हॉलीडेज के जाने के वीडियोस
मेरे घर
दिखाए
के बाहर एक झरना है.
जो आकांक्षा को पिच
Dude,
कर रहा था वो.
men are simple. We are creatures of habit. We don't change, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, dude.
तो फिर आई रूरू was the contestant of the last
Ruru
season
आई
of
Ruru के
Splitsvilla.
Ruru के.
वो पिछले सीजन में थी Splitsvilla के और उसने कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा था लास्ट सीजन.
कोई
Nobody
दानी
gave a
है
fuck. Also she dressed a little. She's into cosplay and all ना. तो उसने लास्ट सीजन बहुत ही ड्रेस
Yeah, this season she was so mellowed.
हाँ, this season she was mellowed. मतलब अगर किसी को पता ना तो वो समझेगा भी नहीं कि वो लास्ट सीजन में आई है. She looked so different. But whatever, वो आई और फिर हुआ मौत का नंगा राज. मजा ही आ
So what
गया.
happened? Can you explain?
योगेश was हक्का बक्का.
वो प्रोसेस नहीं कर पा रहा था.
हाँ, उसको बोला मैं क्या करूं यार, मैं क्या
आकांक्षा's
करूं
new
यार,
connection,
मैं क्या
Ruru's-
बोलूं यार.
Ruru's old
And
flame.
थोड़ी देर तक आकांक्षा के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस था कि
मेरा
आई
लड़का मेरे पास
है
ही
बट
रहेगा.
मेरे को तो लाइक करता है तो व्हाटएवर, वो तो एक्स है. और उसका कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे में भी था कि हाँ आई थिंक ही विल चूज आकांक्षा
मुझे भी
only.
लगा था.
भाई
Yeah, that's what I thought.
एंड
Because Ruru also, it seemed like, dude, she clearly has capitalized on the fact that her ex is in the house already, is seeing someone, and she has, you know, made that like a mudda, as they in Big Boss terms, if you were.
बट उसने बोला
And that's why she's gotten into the house.
बट
because- just
उसने
because-
बोला कि वो सिर्फ योगेश के लिए आई. वो अपने डीजे गिग्स और अच्छे अच्छे गिग्स छोड़ के
But
आई है
what does that
योगेश
mean?
के लिए.
Is she not earning by being on the show?
She's Ruru Taro.
I am Ruru Taro.
But is she not earning because she's being on the show? Yeah,
She's
she is.
earning.
Yeah, she's on the show to earn, dude, and should to
But
to
अब
forward
तो
her career.
भट पिट्टू सी हो गया ना. अब तो पता चल गया कि ये सब प्री प्लान था. And
खुद ही
that-
बता दिया उन्होंने
What?
फिनाले
Wait, what? How is this pre-planned?
So,
So-
योगेश ने बोला, मतलब अभी फिनाले एपिसोड में ये डाइवल्ज हुआ कि योगेश और रूरू ने पहले से प्लान किया था. कि योगेश ने बोला दे वर सीइंग ईच अदर, दे वर हैविंग अ फ्लिंग, एंड योगेश ने बोला कि मैं तो स्प्लिट्सविला जा रहा हूँ इफ दे अप्रोच यू, because their relationship was sort of kind of public. हाँ, तो if they do approach you, you come to the show and we'll win the show together. Till then I'll, you know, survive in the game. And then he came to the show, and then I think he actually took a liking to Akansha, which I hope,
Which is still continuing.
which is still continuing.
Because I am Akku Taro.
We'll talk about the aftermath also. Yes.
तो वो
And the finale. Yeah.
तो Ruru came to the show assuming कि he is still in the game but he's surviving till I arrive. And then she came and she's seeing कि ये तो एक्चुअली काफी इनटू ईच अदर लग रहे हैं. और योगेश ने भी बहुत 2-3 दिन तक लटकाया दोनों को. ना इसको कुछ बोल रहा है ना उसको कुछ बोल रहा है. और फिर आकांक्षा की भी तो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट है नहीं, उसने
इसी
तो
बीच
इतना
में-
पहले-
But she acted in the beginning like, oh fuck it, I'm out of here, I don't
in
want
the
to be part of
beginning
this.
she did, but then she milked it throughout the season.
But that's only
Every
smart.
third day she was
Because
like,
that's the show.
मेरे पास कोई
That
नहीं है,
became her
मेरे
hook.
हाँ,
Yeah.
that became her hook. But फिर डांस वाले एपिसोड में योगेश ने सीधा I love you ही बोल दिया रूरू को, I love
Oh.
you.
From where to where? dude?
और
अभी 2 दिन पहले तू किसी
फिर
और के साथ नाच
आकांक्षा
रहा
का
था.
2 घंटे का रोना का एक एपिसोड था, और
But-
फिर अब बोल रहे हैं वो कि वो उसने आई लव यू भी इसलिए बोला था क्योंकि रूरू उसको थ्रेट कर रही थी कि मैं सब डाइवल्ज कर दूंगी कि हमारा प्री प्लान था, व्हिच इज सच अ शिट एक्सक्यूज. योगेश, यू आर अ फक बॉय.
देखो उस एपिसोड के बाद मेरे दिमाग में तुम
But
वो
Ruru's
तो
also at equally sorry, I'm so sorry. Ruru's also but at equally amount of fault, no?
No.
then?
Why?
Isn't she?
Why?
Okay, Akash.
yeah.
Why?
So it was a pre-planned thing from both of
Yeah.
their end. Both of them are. It was all a planned thing.
Yeah.
They just gained
Of-
क्या कहते हैं
Will they want
माइलेज
they-
आउट ऑफ इट.
Yeah, mileage out
एंड
of
उनका
it.
जितना भी नाटक हुआ है वो तो शो के खत्म होने के बाद
के
हुआ है.
बाद में योगेश
हाँ,
की
उससे
गलती
पहले
है,
का तो
और
कुछ भी
उसके
mileage
बाद में
वो नहीं
आकांक्षा
था.
की भी गलती है. आकांक्षा की तब तक गलती नहीं थी जब तक शो का दिखाया है.
So after the show, what it seems like what has happened, what we found out in the finale.
ऑल्सो आई हैव टू से आई वाज सेइंग ना कि जो तुमने पॉइंट बोला ना कि लाइक जो वो चीज थी कि योगेश पॉपुलर है तो उसके साथ पेयर करना चाहती थी. इफ यू सी इट्स एक्चुअली ट्रू दैट पीपल वांट टू पेयर अप विद रोडीज पीपल बिकॉज वही फिनाले तक पहुंचेंगे. सी दिस ईयर्स रिजल्ट टॉप 2 योगेश एंड
Gullu and
गुल्लू
Yogesh.
बोथ रोडीज.
They actually wanted them to
They
reach.
actually want that
Gullu and
only
Yogesh.
रोडीज पीपल. एंड देन फिर तुम इस चीज को कैसे मुद्दा बना सकते हो कि लोग रोडीज वालों को ही पेयर अप करना चाहिए.
और
तुम लाते ही
आकांक्षा
वो
का सबरेडिट भी मिल गया था रेडिट पे.
Like-
कि वो फिगर आउट कर उसने पोस्ट किया था रेडिट पे कि आई हैव बीन अप्रोच टू गो टू स्प्लिट्सविला बाय सो एंड सो पर्सन एंड आई हैव हर्ड देयर इज रोडीज कंटेस्टेंट देयर, तो व्हाट कैन बी माय what can be my moves to do.
Yeah,
as in
like Priyank Basir के season में Priyank Basir were the top
What can
2.
be my move to like basically get
हाँ,
into his
मतलब
good
what
graces?
can his good graces नहीं, what can I do to do good on the show. तो people were like अगर रोडीज कंटेस्टेंट आ रहा है, मैंने सुना है योगेश आ रहा है तो you should pair up with योगेश. तो she's like yeah I like योगेश, I'll pair up with him only.
Also Yogesh was the most popular contestant of the season and also the
And
most
also
good looking.
roadies, and yeah, good looking and a little polished than Gullu.
Yeah.
Because Gullu
Gullu
is like,
was a bit
love
desi.
show में Gullu is like
Gullu was desi. But Gullu and Kyra together I think were the
they make a
perfect
cute
match.
couple, but I don't think they are dating.
No, they are not.
They are just clout.
But they
chasing.
played the game well. They stayed well after the
yeah,
game
yeah.
also together.
Yeah, graceful.
So that
हाँ,
was.
yes, I agree.
But also like favorite moment. Just
Yes,
footnote.
please, yes.
My favorite moments were all involving my favorite contestant
Sandy.
Himanshu.
Himanshu.
Okay, so one of my first favorite moment was I've already told when he got eliminated because no one gave him split coins and I was the happiest.
Yeah, of course, dude.
I laughed.
Because dude, he was a dick to everyone in the show.
I was so.
Why would
he
someone?
and his partner Diksha
Yeah.
was a bigger dick
Okay, sure.
What?
to everyone.
No, they
Yeah.
thought they were, but they were bad at it also. They were not being good at the game.
Yeah, they were not.
So then how are they dicks? They
no,
couldn't
they were
even.
dick to
They're
the
just
people.
rude.
They
Just
were
rude.
rude to them.
They were rude to people.
Yeah. भाई वो सदफ के हुई चिल्लाने लग गई थी पूरे उस पे.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
अरे
that was
आकांक्षा के
my-
साथ भी लड़ाई हुई थी दिशा की.
Okay, for
तो
context,
आकांक्षा का-
for context, Himanshu and Diksha were the most annoying couple on the show in the finale because before the finale they had given all of their split coins to save a girl from the opposite alliance.
so stupid.
Just to show that we are
Zalak.
so big and all.
Zalak को ना.
ठीक है. So Zalak को बचाने के लिए.
That was so
when they reached the semi-final, they had to pay 50,000 split coins to play the semi-final.
And they didn't
But they
have
had
it.
zero. They could borrow from others, but no one was willing to give them because everyone was like, क्या हमें finale में क्या पता जरूरत पड़
जो
जाए.
कि पड़ी.
So that is why they got eliminated. And it was so good to see them eliminated. My second favorite moment was when Tane roasted Himanshu. So
Oh, I don't
there
remember.
was this task where
had to
Himanshu
roast
had to roast Tane and Tane had to compliment Himanshu.
Yeah.
That was the task.
Yeah,
So
that
the
was
way the task was performed, it looked like Himanshu had complimented Tain, and Tain had roasted Himanshu in the forms of compliments.
Yeah.
And that was crazy.
It
Like
was.
he used things like, जब तू हंसता है मेरा मन करता है कि मैं भी हंसूं. Like the things like this, like you have the brightest smile around. Like underhanded compliments he gave. Yeah.
Himanshu missing a tooth?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that way he was so like
But Himanshu
great.
was look shamed
ठीक है.
so much,
and,
man.
And my third favorite moment. मेरा looks के ऊपर नहीं था. My
I
thing
didn't
was
notice his missing
because
tooth, man.
the way Tain kind of roasted him with compliments.
yeah,
That was
was
my.
good, yeah.
The third was when they did the skit round and Karan and Sunny just like utaroed them.
Yeah.
Like what the fuck did you just do?
Yeah. that was-
Himanshu and Diksha.
Diksha.
found it.
Their
Even their dance
No laugh,
was so
nothing.
bad.
Bro, very bad.
Dance I could still manage. Like skit
Yeah.
I couldn't see. I had to fast forward. It was so awkward to see for me.
Yeah.
Uncomfortable as an audience.
Yeah,
I had
yeah,
to forward it.
Yeah, it was cringe.
Like even मैं अनुष्का मोहित वाला देख लिया था भाई, वो भी बेकार था.
Yeah,
But like
correct.
Himanshu Diksha, I just couldn't handle, and I loved the way they were insulted by everyone.
Yeah.
And that out of pity वाला जो Tain ने किया था.
Yeah.
So my 3 favorite moments were that.
Okay,
Nice.
fair enough.
One more favorite moment of mine, वो moment नहीं है, वो बाद में रील पे moment बना दिया लोगों ने, जब निया ने बोला कि डांस के किसी के डांस परफॉर्मेंस के बाद कि if you put shit on brownie,
Yeah.
it doesn't become a cake or something, and then they zoomed into her expressions while she was dancing. Hilarious.
Bro, but dance वाले से याद आया, like Bubbly Badmash hai got such a new following.
Yeah.
After
it got
Sandy
viral.
and,
So the
Diptanshu's
things that got
performance.
viral,
Yeah.
and then Akansha's dialogue of "कटा मेरा नहीं है, कटा
कटा तेरा है."
हाँ, that got so viral.
That got so
Everyone
viral.
made a reel on that.
Bro, that
I
was
think.
so good. Like Bubbly Badmash hai, like everyone now knows
Yeah,
because of them.
crazy.
So what would like so my algorithm luckily is
Not
not
anymore.
This. Is not this, okay? My Insta algorithm does not show me clips luckily.
एक तो देखिए इसके उससे.
Exactly. So what were the clips or the moments that you guys saw most often? Like what are the moments that went most viral in this season according to you?
Splitsvilla की queen मैं थी,
Anushka.
मैं
Anushka,
है
yeah.
और मैं ही रहेगी.
Yeah,
Sorry,
that
yeah.
was one.
That was
Oh,
one.
that was the one where she's telling Diptanshu to repeat after herself.
उसने वो बहुत बार
नहीं,
बोला
वो
है
जब
show में.
री-एंट्री हो गई थी
उसने
ना,
री-एंट्री
तब
पे भी
उसने,
बोला था
हाँ.
और उससे पहले भी बोला था.
Okay.
So
बट री
वो-
एंट्री वाला ही रील बना था.
ठीक है, that was one of the viral. Bubbly Badmash है.
बबली बदमाश है, सैंडी एंड
ठीक
दीप्तांशु's
है.
परफॉर्मेंस.
One of the best scene was that skit वाले टास्क से गुल्लू का जब वो आकांक्षा की गोदी में सर रखे है and he's like जब तू मेरे सर को ऐसे करती है तो मेरी रूह कांप जाती है.
Yeah, that was funny.
That was funny and that became very viral.
Yeah, and the कट्टा तेरा है, कट्टा
हाँ.
मेरा नहीं कट्टा तेरा है, which is Akansha told Ruru. And
Yeah, and Diptanshu के तो
got
इतने
viral.
VD bites viral हुए थे, मैं तो भूल भी
Diptanshu
गया
है,
हूँ.
oh,
हाँ,
नहीं,
VD bites
Diptanshu
because he
है.
was so witty.
VD bites, okay.
VD bites में.
What are VD bites?
जो वीडियो मतलब
so
बीच बीच में
basically-
उनके मोनोलॉग आते हैं ना टू द स्क्रीन कंटेस्टेंट्स के
when they're
वाइल द
talking to the
एपिसोड इज
screen.
गोइंग
Yes.
ऑन वो
Okay,
वो बाद में शूट होते हैं आफ्टर द शो
Yeah,
हैज
I
बीन
understood,
शॉट.
yeah.
So those were
बट एक मेरा हमेशा क्यूरियस क्वेश्चन है ये कि जब वीडी वो शूट करते हैं, अब मेरे को कैसे पता मेरे को क्या डिस्क्राइब करना है, तो उनके सामने एपिसोड प्ले
हाँ,
करते
play
हैं
करते
वो
हैं,
लोग.
yeah,
हाँ,
yeah,
बस ये
of
मैंने
course.
हमेशा मैं सोचती हूँ
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
हाउ डू दे
Always,
शूट
always,
इट.
yeah, correct. Okay, so then the finale. Let's get to the finale. Okay, quite a bit of what we are already about an hour in. to this episode.
Shame on the cheater. Shame. लानत है,
So
धिक्कार.
that became the main talking point of the finale, and ever since the finale also became the main thing. If I can quickly explain it to anyone who's interested, basically this whole Yogesh, Akanksha, Ruru
Love triangle.
thing is going on, right? Now what happened is the finale was shot more recently, like within the last
Week.
week,
last
Yeah.
week, just a week before it aired.
right, a week prior to it airing. Yeah, everything else was shot way in advance, like months in advance, but the finale was left for this. Now so that means that between the finale and whatever, all these contestants have been out and about in the world, attending parties, getting
Podcasts,
attending
lives,
podcasts, doing lives,
snaps,
gaining followers, and some of them have actually like gained amassed quite a sizable following on Instagram. For
That's
instance,
the
Akanksha is at like
3
million or something. It's crazy.
2.5 if I'm not
No, I saw 2.7 many
okay,
dekh
okay,
rahe
okay.
तो 3 million. Okay.
2.7 तो for
अच्छा ये
sure.
पॉडकास्ट करते
So
करते
now-
4 भी हो जाए पता नहीं.
Correct. So then what happened is, after the show ended, it seemed like Yogesh and Ruru were in a relationship. Like they had whatever, like they were amongst the finalists of the show.
Yeah.
And outside they were dating, and like, were they living together or something?
No, but they were dating,
But they were dating.
and they did a few podcasts also after the
Like
show
together?
started. Yeah, together in the beginning because they were together then.
वो सिड के साथ एक था क्या?
सिट के साथ था क्योंकि वो तभी ये ड्रामा था कि रूरू एंटर्ड लेट एंड देन इट ऑल बिकेम अ हलाबलू.
हाँ.
तो उस पॉइंट पे सॉरी
Hey, I love that. Like, so my friend was telling me that I'm one of the only people who will use the word halabalu. Nobody uses the word.
I use
Now
it, I
Kirti
love
has gotten that habit from me.
Yeah.
Nobody uses the word halabalu, dude. I love the word halabalu.
इट्स नाइस.
Yeah. Anyway.
तो वो आए भी साथ में पॉडकास्ट पे. फिर धीरे धीरे थिंग्स स्टार्टेड गोइंग डाउनहिल. फर्स्टली रूरू वेंट लाइव एक्सपोजिंग सौरभ.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Explaining Saurabh saying doing what? Wait. So wait, they were doing podcasts outside.
Yeah,
And
explaining how
What happened, how sequence of events,
and
whatever.
what was their relationship. Blah, 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 blah.
And one of these podcast appearances, Ru
No,
was- Oh, okay.
on her Instagram live.
Okay.
She went live, and Saurabh,
Niharika's
हाँ,
partner, yeah.
she ratted him out, saying
what?
कि he was still in a relationship while he came to the show, and he still had a girlfriend, and and she got his girlfriend on her live. And that girlfriend was like, कि हाँ, he had promised me that he'll come back. He's only doing for his career. But when he came back, he broke up and started dating Niharika. And then she ratted him out.
But that's part of the show, dude. You can't be surprised, right? If
That is I'm not Ruru Taru, na? She is.
But
you can't be surprised if your guy is going
she
inside,
was-
or a girl is going inside
it
and
was
falling
a
down somewhere.
revenge move because
What was a revenge move? Ruru ka doing
Ruru
this.
ka exposing Saurabh was a revenge move because Saurabh made Akansha and Yogesh meet in Udaipur while Ruru was not there.
Was it Udaipur or Jaipur?
Oh, whatever.
But somewhere in the desert.
Hastinapur. They met in Hastinapur.
Somewhere in the desert they found their
Yeah.
oasis.
Yeah.
Ooh. Poet or something. Right? So
क्या हमारी बातें सुन के कोई बता सकता है हम स्लोट सुना?
So they met outside, Yogesh and Akanksha,
Yeah.
and then they got cozy or something. Is that what?
No.
Is
So
that what's implied?
from what is in the public domain, they were in the same room
And her
with
head was
many
on-
with many other people in the room because it was a show of some kind and everyone was invited.
That's fine then.
But he didn't tell Ruru
That Akanksha was also
that
there.
he was in the same room with Akansha after all that had happened.
That's problem.
That's not okay. But Ruru का भी fair नहीं था to expose Saurabh in this because Yogesh is at fault, not Saurabh.
dude.
Yogesh की गलती है, Yogesh को बताना चाहिए था.
Yeah.
But it's okay. Hell hath
But-
no
but-
fury, like a
but-
woman's call.
Correct, but this when Ruru exposed Saurabh and his ex must have already broken up.
Yeah, because he dumped her.
So then,
Saying कि मैं तो अब आ गया शो से, अब मैं तो इस बंदी को डेट कर रहा हूँ. We are no.
but वो तो होना ही था, bro. Why are you surprised about that?
Not really, but okay. दीप्तांशु तो बाहर आके अपनी वापस ओरिजिनल गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ
भाई
पैच अप कर
दीप्तांशु
लिया.
ने तो सैंडी वैंडी सब जिस लड़की से उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड को प्रॉब्लम थी सबको अनफॉलो, उनसे कोई बात
2
नहीं.
दिन के अंदर अंदर वो पोस्ट करने लगा अपनी
That's a rare
girlfriend.
man. That's a rare.
That's why I
good
love
man.
Diptanshu.
Diptanshu, if you're watching this,
Diptanshu,
we are
we
fans.
love you.
Yeah.
Now I do have more respect after I found
Please
this out
make
about
this
Diptanshu.
reach
I
to
do respect him more, yes.
Diptanshu. We love you.
Yeah, Diptanshu, you are amazing.
तो okay.
एक रील यही कटेगा.
तो फिर she exposes
whatever, वो तो
Ruru
हो
exposes
गया.
Saurabh makes these two people meet.
हाँ.
These people meet, nothing really happens, but then why does
Nothing
this
really happens, but
why does this
Ruru,
come up in the finale?
I will tell you, Ruru और फिर उसके बाद आकांक्षा, जब Ruru ने सौरभ को expose किया, then आकांक्षा went crazy on her live, dissing Ruru कि ये क्या तरीका है, blah 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 blah, blah जो भी है.
But what?
Yeah, because Akansha and Saurabh are friends.
Oh, okay.
हाँ,
Okay.
तो जो भी है. और the problem is the people that Akansha hangs out with, which is Gullu, Saurabh and company, ex-roadies, some ex-splits villains, are the same people that Yogesh also hangs out with. And it's the same house. So many people were making assumptions ki, were they in this house together at the same point, or they just come and go and don't meet each other. So Ruru, throughout this, between this expose of her on live and expose of her on live and the finale, she kept going on podcasts and on her Insta lives. Firstly, though, she said that me and Yogesh are broken up. He met Akansha. He did not tell me. So now we are not together anymore. She said
which
that on her story.
Which is fair for all
Which
of
is
them.
fair, हाँ. वो खत्म हो गया, उनका relationship खत्म हो गया. But Yogesh and Akansha kept going on live speaking shit. Ruru did too.
Speaking shit about what?
Ki Ruru, whatever.
As per the timeline they shared, 29 March ko they broke up.
वो तो बाद
And
में
Yogesh and Ruru. And 26th March ko Akansha and Yogesh met.
Three days prior.
3rd March को.
3rd March को भी था. 3rd March का तो अलग
उसके कंधे पे
था.
सर रखा था उसने.
3rd March नहीं. That was 26 March. 3rd March नहीं था. वो 3 दिन का बात हुई थी.
अच्छा, 3
कि वो
दिन
3
है.
दिन दिल्ली में एक साथ थे. Which
हाँ, वो
Suzanne
है.
has alleged that.
So wait, 29th March, Ruru and Yogesh broke up 3 days before this.
Yeah.
26th March.
हाँ. So
Akansha and Yogesh met.
So basically.
Man, look at us.
Basically, Yogesh had gone and went out in front of Akansha.
Which is
How
cheating.
sad
It's
he.
called
Oh, he was
cheating,
venting
but-
to Akansha.
How
about
sad he is. How
Synonyms use कर लो, but cheating भी
Okay,
बोल
चलो
सकते हैं.
3 March भी हो सकता है. I'm not confirming it, but
emotional
basically
cheating.
Sure.
But basically same
you're
time पे.
Emotional,
But
physical cheating.
नहीं, but you're saying emotional cheating.
हाँ, इस बीच में Suzanne, who was Akansha's best friend on the show, alleged that when Akansha had gone to Delhi, she
They
stayed
together,
with
Yeah.
Yogesh
This-
and
at the
they
finale.
cheated physically
Also,
also.
if Suzanne
finale.
is Akansha's best friend, why is she ratting her own
Because
friend
she
out?
said कि I was sidelined by
Is that
her.
why?
Yeah.
That's again another
woman
level of
scorned.
shallowness, dude.
A woman scorned again.
Again, yeah.
Hell had
Hell
She
had
just,
no fury and
she
woman
just
scorned.
wanted to create a hullabaloo.
Yeah, she's 19
Why,
years
dude?
old.
What's
Don't
with all
expect
this
maturity
pandemonium?
from her.
Why does everyone like pandemonium so much?
सत्यानाश है सत्यानाश. अरे but between the finale and the Ruru live, she went on many podcasts saying कि I have some major
Dirt on whatever,
them
okay.
and I will expose them on the finale. I'll expose them on the finale. And
Oh.
she kept doing this and it kept inciting Akansha to go on her live and speak shit a lot of shit कि whatever क्या तुम कर लोगे, मेरे पास भी बहुत कुछ है, जो भी अंट शंट उसने बोला अपने लाइफ पे जाके. Firstly तो you are guilty, तो shut the fuck up. तो तुम चुप
Not relating to this part,
Okay.
But then she went on the finale and she showed the proof, which is
The head.
कंधा पे फोटो, कंधा पे सर. अब योगेश बोल रहा है मैं तो बड़े बुरे पोजीशन में था, मेरा झगड़ा हो गया था तो मैं जाके उसके पास रोया. It's not okay.
Dude, that. But also, dude, there was this moment where Suzanne
It's
was ratting her out.
Haan.
Okay. And Akansha lost it. Suzanne, please stop. Why are you
क्योंकि
doing this?
guilt-
Because
it's
she was
guilt,
but why
insinuating
would-
that they physically cheated.
Dude, but Suzanne, if she's a friend, that just means she's a bad friend.
She's
firstly.
just 19 now.
I guess, yeah, dude.
With age comes maturity.
उसका frontal lobe नहीं develop
उसका
हुआ है
develop
अभी.
नहीं हुआ.
That has to be the reason, right? Because
by the
otherwise it's a
way-
shitty fucking friend.
Yeah,
with this dude.
shitty.
Since
And
we are
also Asmita
Yeah.
is the girl who exposed.
I feel like
Sorry,
Asmita just
Asmita's which
freaky
one?
footage खाई है उसने.
Asmita's which one again?
उसने कुछ
Asmita's
किया.
Ron's girlfriend.
Ron's girlfriend.
Yeah.
उसने एक्सपोज किया. एक्चुअली सुजैन बाद में टैग अलोंग हुई. तो अस्मिता उन लोगों के साथ हैंग आउट करती थी, आकांक्षा लोगों के साथ. तो अभी अस्मिता को सब अस्मिता अली मजारी बुला रहे हैं.
So अस्मिता ने शो पे बोला कि वो सुजैन के साथ शूट कर रही
हाँ,
थी.
सच.
एंड उसने सुजैन को बिना बताए
उसके फोन से airdrop कर लिया.
एयरड्रॉप कर ली वीडियो अपने फोन में रूरू को
Come
दिखाने
on,
के लिए.
अस्मिता. That's
And that's like the most bullshit explanation.
ऐसा रीजन तो मैं सिक लीव लेने के लिए भी नहीं देती. Seriously, अस्मिता.
Yeah.
Grow up.
But since we are discussing finale, just one disclaimer: you can skip the first hour if you're watching the grand
because
finale.
Sadaf is talking.
Yeah, I also like it's boring as fuck.
Yeah.
And when I was watching, I was feeling that way. But the last 1.5 is the best television of the year. So please
ऐसे
do watch
फिनाले
it.
देख लो. मैं हमारा इतना आई थिंक जिसने नहीं देखा वो अब तक सुन
Yeah.
ही नहीं रहा.
Okay, so a little bit more. Okay, there was a whole in the finale. There was like a whole section where I remember Yogesh and Ruru were standing next to each other in some kind of like a court kind of
Yeah.
कटघरा.
Katghara mein. And they were each trying to tell their side of the story. Okay, and then
Yogesh was just looking guilty. What side does he have?
correct, yeah, fair. But what was Yogesh's excuse? Okay, they weren't.
Yogesh had no words.
He had
He
no
was
words,
not
right?
I'll tell
talking and
you
Akansha
honestly,
was crying.
मेरे को तो किसी का भी साइड समझ ही नहीं आया because
हाँ,
सब इतना
right.
ही बकवास बोले थे.
Exactly.
From what I
agree, that
gathered
same
was
thing I understood. Yeah.
Ruru was saying कि Yogesh cheated on her
Yeah.
with Akansha.
Akanksha and Yogesh said nothing happened.
Because they were together in Udaipur or Jaipur, whatever. Then as Suzanne said, they were for 3 days together in Delhi, and also he went and went it to
Dude.
her at Saurabh's house or
Yeah.
whoever's house.
I remember a problem.
Suzanne's house, sorry, Suzanne's house.
I remember a problem Akanksha had in the finale was that my parents are gonna watch this. Don't say these things. These
Yeah,
these
yeah.
things on
Don't cheat.
TV.
that was the
But he
physical
did all this
cheating
shit.
वाला part.
Yeah, cheating a lot.
योगेश
ठीक है.
kept justifying his cheating with कि मेरी mental health खराब है
हाँ.
और मैं कुछ भी
ठीक है.
मैं नस काट लेता
So
अपनी.
इस पूरे सिचुएशन में
Sorry.
इस पूरे सिचुएशन में रूरू का पॉइंट समझ आता है कि उस शी इज लाइक मेरे पे चीट किया गया. आकांक्षा का पॉइंट समझ आता है कि वो बोल रही है कि मेरे बारे में तुम गलत चीज बोल रहे हो बिकॉज वो दिल्ली वाला नहीं हुआ कुछ. और वो भी जब वो आया था बिकॉज मैंने बहुत बार मना किया, उसके बाद भी सौरभ ने कहा ही इज नॉट गोइंग थ्रू अ गुड मेंटल स्पेस, तो उसको वो मिलना है. तो उसने, ये सौरभ ने भी बोला कि उसने 1000 बार मना किया, उसके बाद वो मानी है कि अच्छा ठीक है मिल लेंगे. दैट टू एट अ पब्लिक प्लेस बिकॉज सुजैन के घर थे एंड सब लोग थे. सो उसमें आकांक्षा की भी गलती नहीं है. इस बीच में योगेश भाई ही हैड नो एक्सप्लेनेशन.
He had no
वो
explanation.
कुछ भी
because
बोले जा रहा
he's
है,
a cheater.
लिटरली कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हैं.
And then that makes him look more guilty.
एंड आई लव्ड सौरभ फॉर दैट. सौरभ
हाँ, सौरभ
ने
ने
4-5
बोला कि
बार
इससे
चिल्ला
क्यों
के
पूछ रहे हो,
इससे क्यों
योगेश
पूछ रहे
से
हो, गलती
पूछो.
उसकी है,
हाँ.
योगेश की गलती
I
है.
agree.
एंड ही इज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ योगेश एंड ही स्टिल वाज सेइंग
I agree.
कि गलती योगेश की है, गलती योगेश की है. एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग ही डिड.
Yeah.
Throughout the
season. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Also, one more thing which amazing people who are splits pagloos like us have figured out and taken a clipping of and put it on reels is when Suzanne divulged the 3 दिन का दिल्ली वाला secret. Niharika went up to her, Suzanne, turned her face and she was हाथ जोड़ोing कि Suzanne चुप हो जा.
Yeah, I saw that.
That shows, that proves everything.
But Niharika and Akanksha are friends or what?
Yeah.
Oh, अच्छा, okay.
So
निहारिका कांशा,
Niharika, Saurabh are couple and Saurabh and Akansha are best
they're like
friends.
not
So naturally,
best
yes.
friends but like cordial.
Yeah. So then, and you know, अगर वो दिल्ली में 3 दिन वाली बात एकदम ही आउट ऑफ हर एस होती सुजैन की, या वो झूठ बोल रही होती, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड वो क्यों बोलेगी ऐसा झूठ. और अगर उसने झूठ बोला होता तो द रिएक्शन दैट
Would have been
योगेश
different,
एंड
yeah.
आकांक्षा
Would have
gave
been
was not the reaction that a atrocious piece of information deserves. It was a guilty written all over their face.
So
I
one
don't
of the
know. It could also be the reaction of like, what the
Shock,
fuck? How,
yeah.
where did that come from, dude?
Exactly.
It could be that also.
Also, I saw an Insta post where the friend with whom Akansha was staying, she shared photos with date stamps.
बट वो
She was there.
24/7 नहीं रही होगी उसके साथ.
हाँ, तो अब तुम
बट अगर वो सेम सिटी में थे 3 दिन तो फिर
अब तो ऐसे यार हम लोग भी सेम सिटी में थे, हम लोग नहीं मिलते.
How is one to prove either way?
Exactly, how do you prove it either
Yeah.
ways?
बट देन वो
Unless they made a sex tape, that is the only way to prove
Guys,
कि हाँ ये
please send
हुआ
us your
है.
sex tape. We'll show it here.
nobody
Don't
wants
worry.
to see it.
Yogesh Akansha, please just
Yogesh
clear it
Akansha,
up.
yeah.
If you have made one,
Yeah.
you can share.
Yogesh
It will
Ruru also
clear
you can
things
send.
Ruru
Kaya
might
Gulu
do.
also. Guys, do it. Just send it to us. We don't mind.
But
We'll
see-
watch all of them.
We will analyze for everyone.
All of
We are not going to show it. We will analyze and we will tell
Yeah,
you.
yeah. We'll tell you what is true. Yeah. Correct. Correct.
बट अगर सेक्स टेप किसी का बन रहा है तो आई वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड इन वाचिंग मोहित एंड अनुष्का बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट क्यूरियस.
Say that I'm the queen. Lucky queen.
भाई बट एक्चुअली मुझे पूरे केस पे ना रूरू की कोई खास गलती दिखती है ना मुझे आकांक्षा की. द ओनली पर्सन एट फॉल्ट इज योगेश.
But dude, Yogesh is only at fault after Spitsula ends.
Yeah,
right?
but yeah.
But now he's at fault.
No,
During the show
even-
he wasn't at fault, right?
Not during the show,
that's
but
what-
the thing is finale
shoot, he was-
is part of the show. So
Yeah.
whatever goodwill also he kind of accumulated
it just
throughout
went
the
to
show.
shit.
Go-
Yeah.
Now he's cheated. Dude.
Yeah, now he's a
It was
cheater.
cheating.
चाहे
By the
वो
way, an
hero-
interesting fact, if you guys didn't know,
Yeah, yeah.
or if the audience didn't know, they had shot 2 endings. One with Yogesh as the winner, one with Gullu as the winner.
up.
So Gullu and Yogesh also didn't know who actually won till it finally aired.
That's why the vlog. That's why
But-
they are also surprised in the vlog.
But
Yeah.
why did they shoot two endings?
Because the
They
voting
didn't
must
want
be
the
ongoing.
They didn't want the spoiler to go out. na?
Oh, that's crazy.
They didn't want the spoiler to go out.
Reality
So
TV
they
is
shot
amazing.
both endings. That's why जब तक एयर नहीं हुआ था
still that
उनमें
doesn't
से
make
किसी को भी
sense.
नहीं पता था कि
That
कौन
doesn't make
जीता.
sense still.
Why?
Because then everyone's reactions would have to be in a way staged because nobody really knows.
अच्छा पूरे सीजन में तो बहुत ऑथेंटिकली कर रहे थे ना
नहीं,
प्यार.
नहीं, ऐसे ही होता
What
है.
I'm saying is like when Gullu won, Diptanshu came and fucking hugged him like that, fucking jumping and all.
Yeah.
So you're saying everyone did that for Yogesh
Yeah.
also?
They
When
did
that
the
happened?
same thing in the 50 also. They shot the winning sequence with all the finalists and
They have done it multiple.
तो जो reality show क्या हुआ? Reality किधर है?
cheat.
Exactly, because so that it doesn't get out, they did
Cheating is
Okay,
reality,
fair.
guys.
it. Cheating is reality.
Yeah, also, yeah, you might as well not know so that even the contestants can't really tell people who
Yeah.
actually won because they just don't know.
But I'm
Maybe is that-
Akutaro, Yogitaro
No
Akutaro
thanks.
person.
Ruru,
So
Ruru
I
is
am
so
enjoying.
hot. No.
I am enjoying how the Yokansha shippers have found a new life after the
Yeah,
finale.
yeah.
So
because
yes, now tell me,
Because
as we end,
Yogesh said he likes Akansha.
Yeah,
he
I
has
know.
feelings for her.
Yeah.
breaking news.
They actually coaxed it out of him. I didn't
Yeah.
want to say it.
So, can you guys tell me, as just before we end, how is it after the finale? What's been going on with this whole drama? Okay, well, I know all these people are making a lot of podcast appearances. They have their own vlogs now and the YouTube channels, and they've been sharing information there. How are they milking this? And what do you think? How well do you think they're going to continue milking this? Which of these people ends up on Big Boss? And you think what from this season? What aspect from this season will become like the theme for next season because of something like this?
So post Splitsvilla, they
Yeah.
have only 3 things. First, Insta Live. Second, podcast. Third, event/parties. So they are doing.
You've
either
run into
these
some of
three.
them at an event
Yeah.
slash party.
So recently, I ran into some of them at a party. I met Mohit, Sandy,
Jealous.
Anushka.
you were there to chill or you were there in a professional capacity?
I was there in a professional capacity, but by the
change
time I
my
met
job.
them, my professional capacity had ended. So I was just chilling.
Oh, then you
So-
were in drinking capacity.
I gossiped with Sandy and Mohit a lot,
You really?
and it was really fun.
Anything? What are the personalities like? You can't, I'm sure
So
you can't.
I told Mohit that you would have performed better if would have gone farther if you would have chosen Akansha at the right time when you had the option, because your partner and you did not go well with each other.
Okay.
And I said it to
Wow,
him.
so polished.
And I said this to Anushka as well.
Okay.
Strangely, Anushka had the same reaction she has been having on all the lives. That
Wait. So you told Anushka also that you were fine, but Mohit wasn't a good partner for you.
Yeah.
Which is true.
And
They
this
were not the
followed both.
fit for
And
each
Anushka agreed, and she did the same reaction she did at all interviews.
मैं तो बोझ उठा
मैं तो उसका भी पूरा बोझ लेके चल रही थी. So that was there. Sandy and I just chit chatted and.
Did you
I
ask her about her tattoos?
I got
tattoos?
to know about
So
her
many
love.
tattoos she has, no?
बड़ा ध्यान है
I
तुम्हें?
got to know.
हाँ, तुम्हें ध्यान नहीं है?
I got to know about her love for Akansha.
Oh, wow.
Sandy loves Akansha. Oh,
Yeah.
Your
They are in love.
your
Yeah,
sarcasm.
yeah. It's the
Sarcasm.
same love Tain had for Himanshu in that.
And
race.
Sadaf.
And Sadaf, yeah. Tain and Sadaf.
Yeah. So that was it. So basically, that is what they have been doing. When it comes to the big, I asked who will make it to Big Boss. What I think, Yogesh and Akansha will be going as a couple
You think so?
on the Big Boss, and Ruru will come as a white card.
Is it too on the nose? It's too on the nose. Big Boss won't
But
do
when
it.
his Big Boss has not been on the nose.
Also, it's possible that you're seeing Gullu and Yogesh, no?
नहीं, Yogesh and Akansha
Yeah,
Yogesh
and
and Akansha.
Ruru.
Gullu and Yogesh will make a perfect
But
couple.
Ruru
They
has
just,
But
said
wouldn't-
publicly that she wouldn't go if Yogesh and Akansha go on Big Boss.
Oh, वो बोलने वाली बात है
अच्छा,
कि
Big
Boss से
Boss का
आएगा।
पैसा देख के मना कर
हाँ,
देगी.
correct, पागल है क्या वो?
We'll see.
Yeah.
Bro, these people come to Splitsvilla
So,
to go to Big Boss.
But you
It's a
don't,
stepping stone.
you don't think Gullu has a chance of being on Big Boss or something like that?
I think
No.
right now, after the show has ended, he doesn't have enough drama going
Yeah.
on for him to make it to Big
Big
Boss.
Boss तो thrives on drama.
Big Boss thrives on drama. So अभी literally जो कर सकते हैं is Yogesh, Ruru, Akansha and Anushka.
Anushka, yes. Anushka is a good contender.
Anushka Skaleshi,
Niharika
no,
is a good
yeah.
contender, I feel.
Who?
Niharika.
Niharika.
She's a veteran also in a way. So.
She is na.
Even
वो
Diptanshu
अकेले
तो वैसे तो could be fun on Big Boss like that if you think about it.
He could be. Yeah.
Diptanshu will be a very fun addition.
Yeah, like
But they
Pranit.
don't,
Yeah,
if they want a fun addition, they might take him. Also, you have to realize now there are two Big Boss. Big Boss OTT and Big
No,
Boss.
OTT is not happening. Where is it happening? Last year it didn't happen.
So, I've been hearing that it might happen this year. I've been hearing. I'm not sure, guys. ये मेरे को कोट वोट मत करना, सोर्स भी नहीं है, बट मैंने उड़ती पुड़ती हवा सुना है.
मुझे भी ये जॉब चाहिए.
So some of them might end up there also if it happens.
Okay.
So दीप्तांशु हम लोग को अच्छा लग रहा है because he was entertaining for Splitsvilla.
He might
Big Boss,
not.
no.
हाँ, Big Boss
Not
is
Big Boss material.
different, हाँ.
Neither is Niharika. For according to
Okay,
my opinion,
okay.
क्योंकि मैं अब इतना तो भाई 8 साल से इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ,
Fair,
कितना
fair.
बिग बॉस मटेरियल कौन है वो देख के चलता है. सो योगेश, रूरू, आकांक्षा, इफ द ड्रामा वर्किंग इन देयर फेवर, गुल्लू जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट ऑफ बीइंग द विनर ऑफ रोडीज एंड स्प्लिट्सविला, ही माइट गो. And Anushka for the drama. These are the 5 people I think have the capacity, and Gullu, Anushka फिर भी कम, बाकी 3 ज़्यादा.
और मैं तो मेरा जॉब एप्लीकेशन है टू अंशुल गर्ग. अंशुल गर्ग,
Yeah.
अगर तुम्हें व्यूज चाहिए, जो कि तुम्हें
Yeah.
चाहिए, मुझे पता है. मैं देखती हूँ तुम्हारे गानों
Yeah.
पे 3-3 मिलियन व्यूज.
Anshul Garg.
Okay, so for the unawares people,
Yes.
Anshul Garg is a music
वीडियो प्रोड्यूसर.
no, he's a music mogul.
Maestro.
No, mogul. He runs a label. Should we say the name of the label?
टी सीरीज है क्या?
No, Play DMF.
ओके.
So they make music videos, and उनका speciality ये है कि he brings together all these viral couples and even estranged ones. He, after the Big Boss fallout of Isha and
Abhishek, yeah.
Abhishek, he brought them together.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he makes music videos immediately after a reality show has ended
Yeah.
to garner all the views from
Yeah.
that
Like
masala.
the most recent is Kyra and Gullu coming together.
Yeah,
It's an
that's
upcoming
Anshul
video. When
Garg,
we're
yeah.
recording this, it's upcoming.
Yeah.
It's releasing on 22nd May.
He also produced the song that Shehnaz Gill made for Siddharth when he passed, I think.
So he has a very good eye of business. He has a very good business sense when it comes to music videos.
Even the
We have
Saurabh
to give it to
Niharika
them.
music video is him only.
I'm not sure.
मैं तो
I
देखती
think it
थी
was independent, if I'm not wrong.
हाँ, that has
But
gone
he has
viral also.
This I will give. He has a very good business sense when it comes to, because he's making music videos and music also, but music videos is what will get him more money, and he's actually investing where he will get the views.
Yeah.
So we she
pitched.
had this idea.
We
Please
pitched
pitch.
together. Yogesh, Akansha and Ruru in a single music video, and my vision board says कुछ कुछ होता है काजोल रानी शाहरुख scene.
Yeah, that park scene.
Yeah, so Anshul Garg hit me up.
Yeah. We are the conceptualizers.
पैसे देते ना हमें जो
थोड़ा सा,
व्यूज
छोटा
से
सा
आए,
cut.
थोड़े ज्यादा नहीं. 3 करोड़ व्यूज आए तो 1 करोड़ व्यू के पैसे दे देना. 130
हाँ. चलेगा. हाँ, तुम्हें थोड़ी कोई और खर्चा उठाना है. सारा खर्चा तो हमारे ही में.
मैं अब फ्लाइट के पैसे खुद दे दूंगी. आ जाऊंगी शूट पे. आई एम नॉट नीडेड, बट फिर भी मैं आ जाऊंगी because I give my all to my job.
We will give direction. We will direct it.
And a punch to Yogesh.
So finally, as we close this off, firstly, anything crazy that has happened in these recent podcast appearances, something that they've been doing?
Oh. Sadaf keeps saying in all her podcasts that this is my last podcast, and then keeps reappearing on the podcast. Sadaf, please.
I think all the craziness they did unfolded in the finale.
And
Yeah.
उसका ही follow up चल रहा है.
After that, it's only Suzanne जो जा के अपने सबूतें दिखा रही है.
हाँ, apparently
He-
सुजैन ने बोला है. सुजैन तो ठीक है, नयनदीप ने बोला है कि उसके पास कुछ प्रूफ है, वो दिखाने वाला है.
आई डोंट नो नयन का, मुझे इतना पता है सुजैन उसने उस पॉडकास्ट पे सुजैन ने एक कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग सुनाई है जिसमें योगेश उसको बोल रहा है इट इज अ वीक बिफोर द फिनाले शूट दैट मैंने सुना है कि तू कुछ दिखाने वाली है, तो पहले उसको बड़े प्यार से फुसलाते हुए एंड देन इन द एंड ही सेज बट अगर तू कुछ दिखाएगी तो हमारे पास भी है बहुत कुछ दिखाने को, इज व्हाट इज द कॉल एंडिंग ऑन. आई हर्ड दैट. I saw that clip and I heard that.
Great.
So that is what is new. Other than that,
एंड सौरभ idiotically claim कर रहा है कि योगेश के पास जो प्रूफ था वो बहुत बड़ा प्रूफ था बट उसने दिखाया नहीं, जो कि मुझे लगता नहीं है कोई बहुत बड़ा. तुम्हारा लास्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या है स्प्लिट्सविला के इस सीजन पे? दैट इज हाउ वी विल एंड दिस.
Ah, man. So I would say that from how many episodes did the season have in total?
I think it was 50 or 60 something.
Okay, 50, 60 something. I think I ended up watching about, say, 15 to 20 of them. Okay. From that, whatever I gleaned, okay, by default, it goes against my intellect to watch this, okay, and to enjoy it. But when you enjoy it, you can't help but get into it. And that's what I'll give this season. That even though I am a very extremely casual viewer, I'm not like a diehard viewer like you guys. I'm an extremely casual viewer of the show. But even if they got me, okay, and I'm always when I'm watching content like this, I'm always on my back foot already, like ready with a joke, ready with something to make fun of. Ready like aisa thodi hota hai, whatever. Okay, always ready with a skeptical take. Agar if they got me also interested or hooked, I would say it's a win, man, for the season.
They were doing something.
Yeah, they were doing something.
It was 56 episodes, by the way. I was just checking.
This
that.
is episodes.
Okay. Love.
All right, that brings us to the end of this episode, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this episode.
And
Please-
the success of this viewership of this video will show us how much of more of it we need to do. We
Yeah.
can do a full episode of
Yeah.
just Yogesh, Akansha, Ruru.
Guys,
Dude, I'm thinking it can go either way. Either we'll get just hate comments, ki guys, such lowbrow content episode. You guys,
Yeah,
are doing.
yeah.
What is this?
मैं तो नहीं
But
फर्क
then to that I'll say कि हमारा बाकी कंटेंट देखो यार, ज़्यादा हाईब्राउ नहीं है, तो ठीक है हमारा, ठीक है, चिल करो लाइफ में. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends about us, especially a friend who enjoys
Splitsvilla.
Bollywood, Splitsvilla, that kind of content,
Drama,
likes a good laugh,
Kalesh.
Yes.
all of that. Please let us know. Also, please check out the most recent episode of That Filmy Game Show that I've just put out with Anirban and Vaibhav Seth here. That should be out by the time this episode is out. So yeah, go to that. Anything else, guys? All right, thank you so much. Follow Akash everywhere. Follow Kirti everywhere. Anything cool happening, Akash?
Nothing.
All right, follow him. You'll find out all the cool stuff.
Yeah, my reels are working now. So please
Goss,
watch them.
Yes, his reels are working. Saif Ali Khan is saying cool things
Yeah,
about
Saif Ali Khan
Akash
has
and shit.
appreciated me. See, eyebrow.
Yeah, we'll insert that at the end of the episode here. All right, again. Bye, guys. See you.
Bye.
Ciao.
This is our first time connecting, and I hope I get to do more and more of such interviews because I've always admired and I've always said that Saif Ali Khan is one of the finest and most underappreciated actor in our industry.
You're very kind.
And
I think you're very good as well at what you do, by the way. I've just watched you today.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
my pleasure.